Good morning, Tradeify Nation, and welcome back to another London Session stream, our second 3-hour stream. Yesterday was a killer stream, and I'm, no surprise, today is also going to be heaps of fun. We're going to hopefully get some more trades in. 3 hours, so get comfy. Hope you got your coffee, whatever time it is there. If it's 3 a.m., I hope you guys are ready. I hope you guys are ready for another big, crazy stream. It is Tuesday, April 14th. Yesterday, we did see some crazy bullishness in the NQ. And we did talk about that yesterday because we had the gap. We were expecting to fill that gap, and now we are heading to potential all-time highs here. But we'll get into that in a minute. Let's firstly see who we have here in the chat and how is everybody doing. Let's firstly get the good mornings happening as we normally do. Good morning, Ivan. I see you are here nice and early. Good morning, Galvin. Good morning, Glenn. Good morning, Wick Sweeper. I love how Wick Sweeper calling me C Money. Like, let's make this a thing, guys. I love the C Money nickname. Good morning, Brandon. Good morning, Dude Monkey. Good morning, Glenda Dallymore. Good morning, Andrea. Angia, good morning. Good morning, Alex, 11D. Guys, drop a good morning quickly if I can get to everyone. Good morning, Lulu. Dinesh, who else? Good morning, Dean, Erwin, FX Peter, Lucifer, Leia. Big morning to Leia and her son Mateo, and his dinosaur he's probably holding. Good morning, Yazimer. Good morning, Shani Trades, Adams, Anika. Sorry if I'm saying any of your names wrong, guys. Wyan, Trades by Now, 31 Stormer, Paul Profits, G for Gio, Abby Sarab, Wyan. Guys, there's so many of you. Sorry, I can't get to you all. But good morning. Good morning. I hope everyone's doing amazing. Frankfurt open. Frankfurt is now open. We need a new little ding, 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 ding for Frankfurt. But yes, we are 1 minute into the Frankfurt Open so far. This is NQ as usual, guys. I'll do a quick analysis of what I'm looking at on the charts, and then we can get into the chat and see what you guys are seeing, how you guys have been trading this. But at the moment, Asia hasn't really done anything. I mean, this is the daily candle. When you look at yesterday's daily candle and today's daily candle, it is a crazy, crazy difference. We had this huge day yesterday. Markets pretty much rallied the entire day. That was a 694-point candle on the NQ. And at the moment, daily candle is 59 points for the entirety of the day. So nothing really exciting to write home about, but doesn't mean we can't get a good trade in. Doesn't mean there's not going to be volume come into these markets. But right now we don't have a lot to work with. But just looking at the daily, based on this very bullish market we've been seeing, I guess, since, the last bearish close day we had was Friday the 3rd of April, and we're now the 14th of April. So it's been a rally on the NQ. But pretty much what I'm seeing on the daily is I do like that we've come back into this daily bullish gap. We tapped into it and we had this strong bullish reaction out of there. So for me, being that we've also closed above these highs now quite strongly on the daily, I expect us to keep pumping now to all-time highs. That's just me. That's where I think we're heading. That's speculation. Obviously, I'm not like a future teller here, but that's sort of where I think, we could be heading for our next liquidity target on the NQ on the daily chart. They're also relatively equal highs, so I do love those as targets as well. But doesn't mean we can't get a pullback before that bullish run. So we could potentially be seeing shorts. Let's see. Also, this is the 4-hour. And if we look at the 4-hour, since yesterday, you can see how we've fully inverted that gap, that New Week opening gap from yesterday, and had 6 bullish closed candles on the 4-hour. So now I do expect us to retrace back into this range and have some sort of retracement before going higher. So if we use these FVGs, say the most recent FVG, keep in mind we could retrace lower than this because 3 FVGs gaps in a row, sometimes we can pull back into the middle of the 3 or even lower. But just using this most recent gap on the 4-hour, the midpoint of that is around 25,500. So also a key level there we could potentially be seeing retrace back into before going higher. But I prefer to stay on the bullish side of things right now, taking longs. But in any case, you could definitely take shorts into this area as a form of retracement. But long term, I am very much bullish still on NQ. So potentially, if I just draw it out, what I would expect to see is something a little bit like this, using the 4-hour gaps. Where's the brush? Retracement into this gap, or at least 50% of this range, and then a push to the upside and all-time highs as the new target. But for now, in the session, as usual, oh, why is my brush? Oh, what's that? Sorry. AI is not programmed properly today. So what we can see is previous 4-hour low is still intact, about to potentially get swept out. And the way I like to trade, as you guys know, is using the 4-hour candle during the London session as my sort of bias and my reason to be going long or short. So if we do get a sweep of previous 4-hour low, like we did actually just in that second, I would be now anticipating some sort of move back to the upside. We have these equal highs, Asia high still intact, previous 4-hour high intact, and I use this as my target to the upside in the session today. So whether we get back down to Asia low or not is the question, but I'm now in search of a long. So that's good, because high time frame I'm bullish. So it's always a better feeling when I'm longing in the London session, when I do expect us to go higher in the New York session today. Also using Asia as a sort of reason for the trading today. Like, Asia has done nothing. We had a 40-point range overnight, so that is nothing really we can work with. But seeing that as a nice consolidation, and potentially London being the manipulation and then New York being the expansion, could potentially be what we see today. So we can see this is consolidation we've been in, and now potentially, well, maybe I can make that a nicer color for you guys, would be easier. So we can see this is a consolidation. Potentially we could be seeing also, why can't I draw today? The manipulation to the downside. Let's make that another color. And then maybe New York acting as the expansion to the upside. That would be a really clean market. That's what I would like to see. Let's make that green. But yeah, that's sort of what I'm looking at, what I hope that we end up doing. But again, NQ can do anything. We could dump, we could do really anything. But it does look like, after all the news in the war news, like between Iran and US, like, it is very hard to, honestly, I'm not a very, I'm not across all of the geopolitical stuff all the time, and I just find this one very hard to follow. Like, one day everything seems like we're at peace, like there is stability back, and then suddenly there isn't. But it looks like there could be a peace agreement, and I think that's why we are heading to the upside on the indices, and I think we're going to continue to see that as well. I think very much the bottom is in, and yeah, those all-time highs are looking very much the target. But guys, that is my analysis on NQ. Please let me know if you guys think that's all wrong and what you guys are seeing. Obviously, we all look at these charts completely different. So let me know if you guys are feeling bearish, bullish, what's the go? Like, maybe you guys just don't want to trade this session. Let me know. But I do think we could potentially be getting a setup before London Open. We love that. Well, let's see. All right, what are you guys up to? Paul Profit says, do it with a German accent. I need Nick here for that. I need him to speak, and then it slowly like gets into my brain, the accent, because it's a hard one to just pull off right off. I can do a British accent, you know, easily, but German's one of those ones, you know, you need practice, you need to warm up. All right, Shenlong's been in a gold long for 5 hours. Damn. I could not, I mean, W for the patience to hold a trade for 5 hours, because you all know I cannot be doing that. I have little patience. But gold has been sort of ranging. I'm not quite sure where your entry was, but we sort of, I mean, this is the, I mean, even the 15-minute sort of looks a bit of a consolidation, but I mean, 5 hours? We go to the hourly. Damn. I mean, you must be in a little bit of drawdown now, but still looking good. Gold could potentially get back up there as well, but I've got my eyes set on NQ today. I do think we can get a nice long in here. but not going to force anything. Not going to force anything as usual. I'm going to let NQ come to me, show me what price is doing. I don't want to be married to any sort of bias that can catch you out. If you like, the worst thing is to be so sure if something is going to happen and keep trying to stab at. I mean, it's happened to me live on stream with you guys, having to like remind myself that just because I think something's going to happen, NQ can still show me otherwise. So guys, don't be married to your bias. Let price do its thing and wait for wait for your setups. Well, what else are you guys up to? G for GS is looking bullish in my opinion. Okay, good. We're on the same wavelength here. Russell says you're streaming way too early. Hold on, Russell, you got to give the people what they want. I mean, we're all trading. We're all trading the Frankfurt Open. We're all like, the Euro trade is already up. The Americans were up anyway, watching us at 3 a.m. Why not? Why not start the stream an hour earlier? I mean, like I said yesterday, we're all addicts for the charts. We're all, let's face it, let's be real. We're trading all the sessions because why not? Especially if you live on my side of the globe, it's very easy to trade Asia, London, and New York all in one day. We're all addicts. Why not be addicts together? Phenom Shellshock said yes, but Enki has been acting sluggish today. Yeah, it has been. Like, having such a small Asia range is a little bit concerning, but when there has been consolidation in Asia, what we do see in the past is London can form the expansion / manipulation. Like, we can get a nice move out of the London session when Asia has sort of done nothing. Same goes for New York. When London has sort of been a slow moving market, you tend to see New York just blast, whether that's in terms of like manipulation or like a big expansion. It moves. So yeah, let's hope that's what we're going to see today. Justin says time for the manipulation. Down we go, and then the longs in NYC might be beautiful. Yeah, I 100%. I can see that happening. I think New York's going to set up for a nice long expansion market, and London being the manipulation to the downside. But the way I trade, I could potentially still get a short-term long in here, or even catch the bottom. I mean, that would be crazy. We can catch the bottom in the London session. I mean, it's happened before. That would be even better. That is so random. Pavel says, are you pregnant? No. What a random question to ask on a trading stream. Nope, definitely not pregnant, unless you know something that I don't know, but nope. Yes, Ivan, 2 a.m. and I was waiting for it to... Ivan, you were first. I mean, W's for you. I haven't seen you number one in here, the first guy in here ever. So maybe, Leah, you got some competition. And Heinsteak, I know those two are usually the first in here. Let's see. Haven't yet got a setup for what I'm looking for, but previous 4-hour low has been swept. Also, the previous 15-minute low has been swept, but I'm waiting now. It's 2:12, so 3 minutes before the next 15-minute open, and I would prefer for us to come down and sweep this low before it taking a long. Even so, Asia low is still intact, so I'm wary of that. I don't want to just take the first bullish candle after this sweep. I want to wait because, I mean, time and time again, we do see this sort of reaction at Asia low. We get a sweep and then we move to the upside. So keeping that in mind, not a necessity for me to enter longs today, but just keeping in mind that we are so close to that level that it is a good idea to wait, be patient just in case that is the sweep. TRBLSM says 4:11 p.m. in Canberra, Australia. Best time to be trading. Yeah, Canberra, you do have, I mean, I think Canberra and Melbourne are similar time zones, but you do have good times for the London session, I'll admit. But New York, not so much. That's why I'm in Bali. Yeah, New York over there in Australia is a little bit, I mean, if you have a day job, it's terrible. But if trading's like your thing and that's what you do all day, then it's obviously fine. You just have to put up with the late hours. But waking up for work the next day when you're trading New York and Melbourne or Canberra for that matter, like, nope, not a good thing. Not a good idea. The amount of caffeine I had to be on just to survive my workday because I was trading New York session, not a good thing. Sion says Celine is here. Yes, Celine is here. Celine is here to stay, guys. I'm here for the first hour solo. So yeah, and then Nick will be joining us as usual, 3 a.m. guys. So London session will be back together from 3, but for now, you're stuck with me. Good morning, Awawa. Good morning, Devanch. Brandon says I was first for the 16th. Were you waiting in the wrong stream, Brandon? How did that happen? We literally have the date on the live stream. That's funny. Oh, the African 1340 says Africa all sessions just align well. Oh, well there you go. I don't know much about the Africa time zone, but maybe that's the place to trade from. Timo says, are you going to give Nick an intro? Absolutely. Yes. Nick loves the intro. I have to give him one. But it's sad, guys. I don't get to be introed anymore. That was a highlight of my day, hearing that intro. Now I don't get to. But like we said, maybe I have to like exit the stream when Nick comes on, and then like he can intro me back in. I just leave for like 10 seconds and then come back. I don't know. Is that crazy? I think that's a little bit crazy. GPG, I love the new stream schedule. So do I. This is like, honestly, yesterday flew. 3 hours doesn't even seem like a lot. Honestly, because, I mean, we're at the desk anyway trading. Like, why not trade together? Yesterday was so much fun. And you guys smashed the like goals and you stuck around. It was so good to see. Also, we get to just talk more. We get to talk about trading and the other random things come up. But guys, if you're in any trades right now, let me know. What are you guys seeing? Because at the moment I'm looking at this previous 15-minute low. I would like to see this sweep, but being so close to Asia low, I'm sort of waiting and anticipating a sweep of Asia low also before we stab at longs today. Let's see, what are you guys in? Roman in the chat. Roman said, for Nick to join this stream, we need to reach 350 likes minimum. All right, there you guys go. Roman has set the bar high, but it's not impossible. Yesterday we did it. So we're going to say 350 likes and we bring Nick on. If not, no Nick today. Sorry, Nick, if you're in the chat. But it's up to these guys. If you want to see Nick, it's 350 likes. Roman said it. Maybe we sprinkle a little giveaway in there. We bring Nick and we bring you guys an account. Let's see. But 355 likes. Wait, no. Why do I keep saying that? 350 likes. Roman set the bar high, guys. Oh, Utam B says, good morning, Celine. What a nice comment. He says, your calm confidence and sharp instincts in day trading are generally inspiring. You make the markets look like an art. That is such a nice thing to say. Honestly, that's my day. How sweet. I'm, in terms of confidence, like I am not the most confident. I tell you guys time and time again, like I am still learning as I talk through the markets. I'm no expert whatsoever. It takes years to, I mean, can you even call yourself an expert like 5 years in? I don't know. There's just so much to always be learning and adapting to in day trading. And but I mean, I appreciate your nice comment. Thank you. Abby says, but what if we only want to see Celine? Let's not tell Nick that. Let's not tell Nick. Johnny, no. Johnny, you know I have the power to kick people in here. So if you want to be hitting the thumbs down, my guy, I'm just going to have to kick you. It's a thumbs up or it's nothing. You know, I can be strict like Nick as well and give you guys the cancel, the ban hammer. Trade quietly says, Sling, what is the indicating marking all key levels automatically? All right. I get this question every day, at least once. So sessions and key levels by Script Edge is the indicator I use for my sessions and key levels. So that's this indicator here. It gives you all the key session windows, Asia, London, New York AM, New York lunch, New York PM. Then it gives you, and you can set whatever hours you like to look at. So I've set Asia to just be 8 p.m. to midnight Eastern. You can also tell the indicator, I mean, tick on or off like the previous levels. So right now I want to see the previous day high and low. So I've got that marked. You can make the yearly high and low visible, whatever you guys want. I love that it's like versatile like that, and I can change whatever I want to see, and yeah, based on what I like to see. Also have the current day open here, so that's the current day. You can have current day high, current day low, whatever you want on. I also get to like customize my lines. I can tell the indicator if I want it to show when the line's been swept, when it hasn't been swept. I do all that. But yeah, it's a really good one. I think it's like there are so many session and key levels indicators out there, but I really like this one built by Script Edge. It's just simple, clean, and I get to customize it as well. Also, there's a dark mode for you guys out there with your dark charts, but obviously I'm in light mode. But yeah, go grab that indicator. It's a free one and it's really easy to use. All right, so right now what we have is a sweep of the previous 15-minute low. I'm also going to keep an eye on ES today just in case we have SMT. What? Oh no, what is going on? But I am currently, oh, my charts, I keep freaking out. Okay. All right, just keeping an eye on ES as well here for the SMT. Just in case. Okay, there you go. So there was an SMT there. Asia low has been swept on ES and it was not swept on NQ. So I'll show you guys what that looks like on the high time frame. As you can see, Asia low still intact on NQ. So I do like this for an even stronger reversal now. And I say this, SMT is not a reason for me to enter a trade, but it's just a reason to be more convinced of a trade. So it doesn't need to be there for me to enter a long, but I do like this reaction, the fact that we've swept on ES and not on NQ. What are we saying? Nick watching in the back rooms, Lulu. I bet he is. He's awfully quiet, but he's probably in here. He's waiting for me to say something about, I don't know, and then he's just going to come in with something stupid as he normally does. Trader Tau, hi Celine, what indicators are you using? Hopefully you just were there, Trader Tau, for my, I just went over the indicators, but it's basically the sessions and key levels by Script Edge and then my Celine Trades model indicator. Just those two. And they do it all for me. That's all I literally need on my charts. All right, so potentially we could still be getting down into Asia low and NQ here. Let's wait and see. Right now I'm eyeing up this 1 minute FVG just to see if we end up inverting that. I will take a long position. But let's see. Definitely a better Frankfurt Open than yesterday, guys. We're already seeing movement. Yesterday we sat in chop for a whole hour, which was fun. What am I missing here? I can't read comments quick enough. How do I get better at reading your comments? All right, Lily says, Celine, time out. Johnny. Oh no, Johnny, what did you do? What did you say? Oh, because he said hit the thumbs down? I know. No, we'll give him a warning. Lulu, Johnny, this is your warning. All right? No thumbs down around here. Thank you. Utopia just saw Let's Cut Nick's internet cable. What, so he can't join the stream? No, that's too mean. I would never. Yeah, Amber Nation says SMT with ES swept Asia low and NQ didn't. Yep, that is currently what we're seeing, but also NQ dropping here. Next target is this Asia low, so potentially we could be getting a sweep. Just waiting to see what we do here. Not jumping into anything yet. Can you post both your indicators in here, please? If you want, go to the link in my Instagram bio. There is a link to the indicators there. I think yesterday I linked the Script Edge, like, publish. All right, let me just link you guys to the indicator. I'm pretty sure you can just search it in the indicators. If you go sessions and key levels, By script edge. It's this one. If you guys just search sessions and key levels, it's a second script that should show. But you have to put the and like this, I'm pretty sure, so it would show. Because if you go sessions and key levels, yep, it's not there. So that's all you got to do. Just go sessions and key levels, and it's the second one by script edge. That's the indicator I use. Simple. All right. Okay, still no sweep of Asia low and NQ. Watching. Potential to reverse from here with the SMT, but we're going to wait. Morning, Rohan trades. At least morning from this side of the globe. Yeah, it's like 2:30 for me here. But still, good morning. Good morning, David. Yes, I do trade NY session. I'm not live with the team, with the Tradeify team for New York, because it is late for me. Some days if I've just had like, say I'm up on the day and I'm just too tired, I won't even have a step at NY and I'll just go to bed, because it does start at like 10:30 p.m. my time. And that's with the good daylight savings. Like it used to be 11:30 p.m. So yes, but most days I am trading up until I trade the 9:30 open, and then I'll trade up until 11 latest, 11 a.m. and then I'm out of there. Jeet, hi Celine, how do you decide your bias? So different ways. Like how I decide my long-term, like high time frame bias is pretty much just using gaps, FEGs on the daily chart. So I expect us to retrace into FEGs and then use the swing points as targets to the upside. So like looking at the daily, why I was bullish these past few weeks, really. Oh, why is this going everywhere? Sorry. Why are my charts being so stupid today? Okay. This is the daily chart. And in terms of bias, I've used the sweeps of major swing points. So when we got the sweep here, I was telling you guys, okay, I'm looking bullish now because we set out these relatively equal highs on a daily time frame. So like higher time frame sweeps and FEGs are always a lot stronger. Then I was looking at this bearish gap. Okay, so we've inverted this gap. I wanted to see how we reacted in here. If we were to respect, we could potentially see it going lower. So it could have been bearish, but we closed bullish. So then bullish, and then waiting for the next highs to be hit. All right, so we closed bullish above this high, creating a bullish FEG. So then I'm bearish into the gap. So that's sort of how I use it. So was looking for the sales yesterday into the daily, and then bullish overall, because we are continuing to close over these highs until we get up into these relatively equal highs. I'm bullish. That is how I see it long term. Doesn't mean like in my day-to-day trading I can't be short, but that's where I see that's how I use the daily to sort of eye up where I think, you know, the day could be heading. But in terms of the London session, I just use the 4 hour. If we get a sweep of the 4 hour low, I am looking for those longs. But let's get back to the charts. Okay, my charts are being really annoying today with that. Okay, we could be leaving Asia low just there. I mean, potentially this is the reversal and we might be leaving Asia low intact, and that means we do have a confirmed SMT. Just tapped back into daily open here. So interesting to see how we react now back at daily open. Daily candle is looking disgusting. But right now, not in any trades. Not in any trades. Kim and Linden, are you trading MNQ or NQ? Celine, I'm trading NQ. Glenn, Roman says, yeah, they do know I am producing crypto stream after this stream. What was Glenn's comment, Roman? I can't see it. Oh, does Nick and Celine know you cheat on them? Yes, it's all good. Roman is such a great producer. We allow him to be shared around. We know everybody wants Roman to be producing, so we have to allow it. Yes, Andre, ICT student. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. I learned ICT when I started locking in on trading. So most of the concepts I use are ICT, but I'm of the opinion that it's just been rebranded, and these are concepts that have existed for a long time. I don't like to be like under the banner of an ICT trader, but yes, I do trade ICT concepts. Batiro, good morning from Switzerland. Hello, good morning. Guten Morgen. Our Swiss Nick will be coming on very soon in about 30 minutes. Just Black says, I'm glad you changed yesterday was short, this short, that now you bullish, love the change. Well, yeah, if we talk about yesterday, I was talking about how overall I was still bullish, still expecting us to fill that gap, but also expecting a sort of down move. And we did get that. It was around 7 p.m. I mean, I was at dinner, but we did get a nice short that I was looking at. If I go back to the markets yesterday, Monday around, I think it was just after 7, the setup. So yeah, this sell ended up working out very nicely. I ended up being in I didn't actually end up taking it, but looking back at the trade, it sold off to, I mean, these equal lows would have been a clean target. And yeah, even in a bullish market, like I said to you guys yesterday, what I was looking for was this sort of, oh my gosh. But what I was looking for was this position to take after a sweep and then take it to equal lows, or even for the previous 4-hour low. But that was a 50-point short. So can still get shorts in a bullish market. And I'm constantly telling you guys that because a lot of the time I'm going against the trend, which freaks a lot of people out, but it still can work out. Just saying. Linear 2 profitable. Is Nick coming on the stream today? Yes, absolutely. London Gang will be together from 3. So Nick will, so if you guys weren't here yesterday, by the way, so the way that the stream schedule works now is I'll be solo for the first hour, and then Nick will join me from 3 to 5 a.m. So we're doing the full 3 hours with you guys. I'll be trading the Frankfurt Open, and Nick will join me for the London Open, and then we'll go until 10 a.m. Eastern. Well, 10 a.m. UK, 3 a.m. Eastern. Sorry, brain is not braining today. But yeah. Good morning. Guys, are you in any trades? I mean, I still yet to find the clean setup in here, but potentially you guys could be trying to short this into Asia low, or I'm not too sure. I mean, right now we have a bit of consolidation. We're still in the tight range of Asia. Really want to sweep out of here and just pump, but let's wait and see. Full profit saying 5 a.m. Eastern. Is that not what I said? We go from 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. Eastern. Vietnam shell shock. Looks like the Nasdaq wants to keep going down. I mean, I see it potentially getting down into Asia low, but not probably any lower than that. I do expect it to sweep some sort of level. Like after having such a bullish run, it's no shock that we're gonna get some sort of retracement. I mean, the market just doesn't just pump, and we just don't get those bearish retracements. So, I mean, we do have this huge leg to the upside. So yeah, I do expect us, even if you take just this last recent run from this 1 hour swing point, from the low to the high, 50% of that level is 25,507, which actually aligns nicely with the 4 hour gap I was looking at. So potentially we could get a sell-off into 507. That would be interesting. But even so, even just a sweep of, like, depends how bullish NQ is today. But a sweep of Asia low, respecting this 1 hour gap, could be enough to send this thing flying. But yeah, also I am prepared for us to short off a little lower, being as though we did pump yesterday. But let's see. I see potential bounce at 25,550, says Utam. 25,550. Okay, so just below Asia low. Nice. I'm with you on that. I think potentially is also. Okay, so Split Striker is short 575 to Asia low. Yeah, I could definitely see how you guys are targeting Asia low for the shorts here. I think not a bad idea. Not the way I like to trade. I prefer to let the market sweep and then take the reversal out of there, but could definitely see that. See how you're trying to short to that level. I think Pokemon Trader says, I think I saw you in Makassar. What is that? What is Makassar? I have no idea what that is. Is that a place? Vicky Babu is long. Okay. Looks like you could be getting the move now. For me, I'm waiting now for previous 15-minute low to be swept. That level is 25, 5, 64, 50. And until then, I'm waiting out. Waiting for a pump. Guys, you know how we were talking about pizza yesterday? I couldn't help it. I went for pizza for dinner last night. Okay? You guys you were talking about it all stream, honestly, and it just got to me. I was like, yep, you know what? There's no way I'm going to go to bed and not have a pizza. So I went out for a really good pizza last night. Just had to share it with you all. It was delicious. Let me see. I took a photo. I wish there was a way I could share this to you guys, like, while maybe I need to join the WhatsApp with Nick, because I was like, oh, the stream need to see this right now. I'm out having pizza and we were talking about it all day. All right. This is the pizza. Tell me this isn't a good looking pizza. Pepperoni. No. I never know why it doesn't... Why isn't it focusing? Okay, fine. That's right, Raymond. I'll share it to my screen, guys. I never know why my camera wants to do that. All right, here we go. Here we go. It's coming, guys. Also, market is pushing higher, but I'm not in a trade right now. Nothing for me to... No setup. But guys, look at that. That is a pepperoni, as we say here. A real pepperoni with a double P. Oh, so good. By the way, is Jonathan here? Did he get his pizza? We need an update, Jonathan. Did Nick send you that pizza or not? Is he a man of his word? All right, we're reaching up into this 15-minute gap, but I don't expect this to hold. I do expect us to... All right, there we go. Yeah, exactly what I want to be seeing for these longs. Expecting this to get inverted and to keep pumping to the upside. So that SMT did hold, but no setup for me in this area. I wanted to see a sweep before heading higher. But yeah, guys, if you're in the longs, hold. This is going to be good. I would have previous 4-hour high as the next target, Asia high. We've got previous day high up there, so I'd be holding this. Taking some profits off at this high potentially, but looks good. Looks good. Hey, morning, Jimmy Trades, my fellow Aussie. Oh, did he? Okay, so Jimmy was confirming the pizza did get delivered to Jonathan. That is epic. That's so funny. Ravin, Nick is joining us very soon. So schedule has changed. So I'm now with you for the first hour solo. You have me all to yourselves, and then Nick will join me from 3 AM Eastern. So he is coming. Get ready. Nicholas Wickolas will be here. Yeah, the real Luca. I'm learning with the double P. I've learned from you Europeans that pepperoni means two things. It's a capsicum for my Aussies out there. They call capsicums pepperonis on that side of the globe. Crazy. Oh, Shani and Leia also confirming he got the pizza. Okay, that's sick. I know, G4J says it looks so good, man. It's 1:30 here and I can't. No pizza. I know, I'm even hungry just looking at that pizza. I want another pizza. Oh, Jonathan's in the chat. Jonathan, yes, can confirm we received the pizza and we got cookies too. However, I got none of the cookies. Oh, I'm guessing your daughter took all those cookies, but that's amazing. I'm so glad. I'm so glad. That's epic. Well, I mean, you won fair and square the pizza. So Nick had to live up to that. Oh, Roman. Roman makes a good point, guys. Please go and smash the like button. We said Nick won't be on stream until we get to 350 likes. Let me get a quick like count happening here. What are we at? I said 350 and I'll bring on Nick. If not, you guys are stuck with me. 159. Roman, it doesn't look like these guys are going to do it. I don't know. We have to like lock Nick out today. There's over 400 of you watching. I need 350 likes and I'll bring Nick on. That's it. That's the rules. It's very easy. All of you lazy people out there, I'll be nice. All you have to do is smash the like button. It's a thumbs up button. Don't go hitting the heart button. It's not the hearts. Although I appreciate the hearts. We want the thumbs up. Leah, yeah, that's true. They said she said whole, but that's not financial advice. AI choices on the charts, all choices on the charts are yours. Yes, thank you, Leah. Because don't be coming for me if this just dumps. I mean, you saw that trade I was in yesterday, by the way. Just as we were exiting the stream, I was in that short and then had some random candle just pump and wick me out within like 2 seconds, and I got slipped. So. It is crazy times we trade in, crazy times. The market can just, I don't know, someone could tweet something and then you could just be liquidated in seconds. It's not fun, but yes. Wait, who's saying lychees on pizzas? I'm sorry, what? Who is talking nonsense? Glenn says, forget pineapple. You haven't lived until you've had lychees on pizzas. I've had a lot of pizzas in my life, Glenn, and I don't think I've gone to a restaurant where they serve that. Like, where did that idea come from? Please tell me. Okay, NQ continuing the pump here, guys. Looking very nice for these longs. Damn, it's annoying I didn't get a setup in this, but exactly what we wanted to see. 15-minute closing bullish in 4 minutes. Clean. S&T at Asia low. Now we have that inversion on the 15-minute. I would still like to see another setup for me before we get up into Asia high, but potentially we just blast through now. And that's fine. I will look for another setup. What are these guys saying? Cheese Balls, let's get to 349. No, guys, we need to bring Nick on here. I need someone to talk shit with. Get us to 350 likes. At least that way we can talk shit with Nick. How about that? She says stuck with her like it's a punishment. Who's going to tell her the real Luca? Guys, we know we need to bring Nick on. It's not London Gang without Nick. Come on. I know I'm mean to him all the time, but really, we need London Gang together. We're the duo. Come on. All right, Lulu, I might have to ban you for that. Anchovies on pizza, yum? Nope. I mean, I don't know in what universe. I don't know, but not in mine. Anchovies is a no-go. And whenever they forget to take them off, I get really angry. Just another thing I have to complain about in my life. Whoa, this chat is getting crazy with the pizzas. Ivan says, I had a pizza in Mexico with dried up scorpions and crickets. It was fire. I mean, what? What? I can't even like picture scorpions and crickets on their own, but on a pizza with cheese and salt. Ugh. Yuck. Absolutely not. Not on my yuck. Nope. When I was living in Vietnam for a bit, it's funny, like the markets there, they'll be selling like fresh fruit juices, and then like the next store will just have like straight up fried crickets and like worms and stuff like that. But I could never. But yeah, I have seen people eat them. Not my thing. Roman is cracking on you guys. Roman says, so we have only 15 minutes to 350 likes. Push. Roman is pulling the whip out here. Guys, we're very serious. It's 350 likes or we don't get Nick today. Okay. So what are we at? What are we at? 218. 350 and we'll do it. We'll bring him on. Oh, thank you, PNW Live. Guys, thank you for all the nice comments today. You're delightful. Love the training explanation. Well, I'm glad. And if you guys ever have questions or something I'm saying doesn't make sense, just let me know, because sometimes that can happen. Just so you know, it's 2:40 my time when I jump on, 2 p.m. now my time when I jump on stream. So I'm not as fresh as some other people at this time, because I've already been awake for I don't know how many hours. But if I'm ever not making sense, just let me know. But I have had coffee, so hopefully I am a bit more clear today. Yesterday was pretty funny. Blue cheese pizza, no. And yeah, blue cheese in general, nope, not a thing. I hate multi-cheese. I hate parmesan. I hate all the hard cheeses, all those cheeses. Disgusting. Justin says, I want to see a London stream fear factor. What would be a... Wait, Justin, explain. What's a London stream fear factor? What is that? Why have I never heard of this? Justin, 315 likes, or Celine goes and Nick comes by himself. Oh my god. No, I'm not going anywhere. We just want 350 likes, and I bring Nick on. If 349 likes, then no Nick. No, Glenn, Nick doesn't know about this. But the thing is, he can't come on unless Roman allows him to come on. So Roman and I are both teamed up here. Nick has no idea. But he'll join the back room in the back end, and he'll just have to sit there until we get those likes. I'm being serious. No, Just Black, I've never seen Fear Factor. Oh, it's a show? Dude, Mikey says it's a show. Guys, okay, Justin says Fear Factor. You eat crazy foods on stream like scorpions. Fear Factor was a TV show back in the day. Okay, that definitely must have been an American thing. I swear I haven't heard of that. Let me see. Fear Factor show. No. What is this? Telecast of the stunt action show wherein contenders compete with... Alright. This could be fun. And how do we play? Like, what do we do? So you mean, Justin, like we do like crazy eating contests on the stream? I'm down. I mean, not scorpions. Like, how crazy do you want to get? No, Lulu, I've never tried durian. Absolutely not. Hell no. Just looking back at the markets, we have had that nice bullish inversion on the 15-minute. Now we are dropping a little bit here, but I'd be using any sort of pullback like this or any sort of bearishness as a pullback, not as an overall move to the downside. I'm very much liking this. 5-minute FVG just got tapped back into. Oh, I feel like I want to take a long... It wouldn't be like my A plus setup, but I still just like this as a continuation. Let's see. Taking a long potentially soon, chat. Let's see. Hey, Rose Edge in the chat. Morning. Just like, how old are you, Celine? Oh, I have to answer this, don't I? Well, I know I've asked you guys to guess before, but I'm pretty sure most of you know. I'm 27. Almost 30, sadly. I feel like past 25, I just feel like you just feel old. The 20s are gone. Wait, am I the only one who doesn't know what Fear Factor is? They had to eat roadkill on Fear Factor? Okay, hell no. Hell no. That, like, if you guys think it's gonna get that crazy on stream, it's definitely not. Roadkill is like one of my worst fears. If I see roadkill, like, I want to vomit instantly. That was far worse than an eating contest. All right, I want to look at this show. Like, it's actually intriguing. You're telling me they ate roadkill? That's just like sounds not real. Jonathan, yep, 21 for the 7th time. That sounds good. GPG, I never said 24 a week ago. I'm 27. I've never ever lied on stream. 27. I'm proud. 27. I'm proud. Okay. Almost 30, but I can still sort of say I'm in my 20s, right? Whoa, Dude Monkey, hold on. Thinking I'm at least 30. Hold on, what are you trying to say? I do have the band hammer ready. Okay. Brandon, Selena, I was born in 85 and I'm still 27. Good. I'm of that opinion too. Like, I'm just always gonna be in my 20s no matter what age I hit. Oh, Leia says it wasn't always eating, it was facing your fears. That is one crazy show. Wow, we never had that show in Australia. Interesting. All right, guys who are in longs, what are you thinking right now in terms of managing this? I mean, it did push from this low. We had the move of 28 points, but we're still stuck inside this Asia range. We want to really see the expansion, London. London open in 10 minutes, guys, but I mean, longs could still be in play here. This could just be a pullback. Glenn says, lol, 85% of my kids are older than you. Yeah, I'm sure some of you have kids older than me, but that's totally normal. It's totally normal. I still am I'm not so young anymore. I know some of you are probably way younger than me watching the stream right now, so I do feel old. Okay, so Paul Prophet says 100 more likes in 10 minutes. Guys, we're almost there. Come on. What are we at? 244. All right, we need a little more than 100 likes, like 106. How's that for 6 quick maths? What are we at? 245. All right. If you're just joining, if you don't know, I said 350 likes and I bring Nick on. And if we don't get there, then there's no Nick. It's simple as that. And maybe a giveaway. Maybe a giveaway if we get to 350 likes before Nick comes on. Just saying. Royals Edge says, any giveaways for today? Yes, absolutely. There will be giveaways. Not saying how many. We'll wait for Nick to come on for those because he is the master of the wheel. I'm just the the peasant. He's the master of the wheels. But we'll wait. If we do get to 350 likes, so that's quite a milestone. If we get there before Nick, then we do. I'm just gonna say we're gonna do multiple giveaways today. Fire me, ban me, whatever. I'm gonna do it no matter what Nick says. By the way, can you guys hear the construction that's going on outside? I'm pretty sure Roman has done something to not let you guys hear, but just checking because it just did get a little bit louder there. I'm gonna try block it out with my own ears, but let me know if you guys can hear the construction because that would be annoying. Okay. Smithway says no. Okay, good. That's because we have Roman producing. All right. Thank you. Just having a bit of a pullback here. Not freaking out. Not freaking out. Still like this for the longs, for the bulls. I just don't see what we'd be reacting to here, guys. Like, we inverted the bearish gaps here. 15, 5-minute. Everything looking to the upside, but as we know, NQ does whatever it wants. Don't be married to a bias. What did I say? Don't be married to it. Utam says, some correction needed before any new swing high. In general sense, that huge move might have exhausted sellers and buyers might be in good profit. So passive buyers must be waiting for a place to buy. True. I am one of those passive buyers. If we do get a sweep of Asia low coming into London Open, it might be an even cleaner long. But I did like that we swept out Asia low and ES forming the SMT. And I thought like that's enough to push us higher. Also, the fact that you know, we're still reacting into a 1 hour bearish gap. But I get what you're saying. Like, we could definitely see a bigger retracement on NQ here today. Look at that. Asia has just barcoded pretty much. And we do have all this room to the downside that was completely blasted through yesterday's price action. So potential, keeping an eye on that. But I prefer to see the expansion today. Cameron, good morning. Who killed the market today? Why haven't we moved 200 plus points? I know. Guys, Asia was the smallest I've ever seen in a long time today. Like, what the hell? 40 points? Not fun. We don't like that. Justin just goes, I want to see Nick eat an insect. So do I, actually. He talks a big game. Should we make him eat an insect with ketchup? I feel like that could be a thing. He says ketchup goes with everything. Then it goes with everything. Insects included. PPI consolidation. Let's quickly get an update, by the way, on the news we might be seeing today. So PPI is today 8:30 a.m. news, and then for the rest of the week, no other red folder except for that's next week, Tuesday. Okay, well, damn. That's the only red folder news we have for the week, and of course, any like Trump tweet that we get is obviously red folder, but we of course don't get that before. We never know when those tweets are coming out. But in terms of red folder, today is the only day of the week. So 8:30 US time. Eastern time. So that could be also why we're just chopping around waiting for that data to be released. Did you snipe along yesterday, Celine? Actually, Justin, I took a short in the New York Open. That was a nice short. I can go back to what I was looking at. Crazy, I know. I should have would have could have been in longs, just holding longs, but I saw a point that I liked for a reversal just after 10 a.m. and I can quickly go over that. It wasn't my exact setup, but it was clean enough for me to take. So this was the market since the open. I was waiting. Previous 4-hour high had been swept, and then I was waiting to see how he reacted in this bullish gap on the 1 minute, and I just entered this at market once we inverted. Stop was at the high, and I risked 31 points, and then had a full profit at 72 points, and then I had partials off at 1-to-1, or around this low from memory. Yeah, about 1-to-1, and we hit that within like 5 minutes. So it was a clean short, like 33 points. It was nice. I was risking like 2 minis on that, so it was a nice trade. And there you go. Like, I'm always talking about this, but like you can get reversal like short setups in a bullish market. So that was an example of that. Got in and out, didn't get to the full target. Got stopped out, break even on the rest, as you can see. And then market continued to pump after that, but didn't have a setup I liked and just went straight to bed because I was pretty much in a food coma after my pizza. Hey, good morning, Nicholas Wiggles. Come and join us. By the way, Nick, I don't know if you saw Roman's message in the chat, but we got a bit of a challenge for the chat. Otherwise, you don't get to come on stream. The challenge is for them to get to 350 likes, and then we can bring you on. So you could be sitting there for a little while. Let's check what we're at. What are we at? Okay, we're at 309. 309. So how long do they have? Guys, you have like 1 minute to get 41 more likes in there. Otherwise, we don't bring Nick on. And I can see him. He's in the back now. So do the work, chat. Do the work. And we can bring him on. Let's see if they can... Guys, if you can do it in the next 30 seconds, like before this candle closes, that would be even more epic. Let's see. How bad do you want me to bring him on? He's lying back. Like, this guy... He looks like he wants his rest. Got his arms back behind his head. He's put the mic out of the way. Like, he's about to have a sleep. If you guys don't get 350 likes, he's going straight to bed. What's he? Oh, feet up on the table, chat. Feet are up. He almost just fell off his chair. All right. You guys have... I'm going to give you 30 more seconds. 350 likes, and we bring Nick on. We're at 320. 320, 30 more likes. There's like 500 of you here, and Nick is about to go to sleep. So hurry up. It looks very comfy there. Let's see if they can do it, Nick. Otherwise, you're going to have a good sleep. Yes, and all right, we're going to do a giveaway as well. There you go. I said it. Go on. 20 more likes. Hurry up. Quick, we want to get him on before the open, guys. Come on. He's literally sleeping. I don't even know if we can wake him up once you get there. We just bring him on. I sort of want just Roman to pan to his camera so you guys can see him right now. All right, you know what? It's too funny. Let's just bring him on. I'm going to quickly introduce him, and Roman, we're going to stay like that. Okay, introducing the YT wearing, hair never moving, GP trading, biohacking, Mewtwo catching, steak with ketchup abusing, sample trolling, intro creating, KFC hating, Five Guys loving, paddle playing, tennis playing, squash playing, water guzzling, skydiving, chat banning, shark swimming, parkour champion, salmon mango, sushi loving, switch battle winning, super slippery sock walking, accent king, definitely not CPI full potting, no prep marathon running, the one and only Nicholas Wickolas. That is what I was looking at in the back chat. Are we awake? Can we wake him, chat? How do we wake him? Let's see. Oh, we hit the like count, Nick. You got to wake up. They did it. Good morning, Nick. Oh, his mic's not on. We can't hear him. Hurry up. Is he still slow today?
Good morning.
Oh, there he is.
Nice. That was good. Wait, I gotta... Oh shit, that's way too straight. Okay, there we go.
You good?
How are we doing, guys? Good morning. Good morning, Celine. Good morning, chat.
Good morning.
I would have liked for you guys to like not hit the 350 likes for like 20 minutes more. That would have been sick.
Yeah, we oh, I can hear myself echo.
Probably. My speakers are too loud. Okay. Lucifer said, "Nick the Snorlax." Hell yeah. It did feel like, honestly, very comfy. Although I almost fell over. Celine saw it. That would have been funny.
I would have actually felt so bad if that happened.
Yep. I feel a little bit better.
Yeah, give us the update. How are the legs?
Still gotta get the electrolytes in. Okay, but we're feeling better. I went to the sauna and ice bath and steam room this morning, and that definitely helped. That was very nice. So
that is a good way to start the day.
But hope you're all doing well, guys. Put them ones in the chat. Come on, let's see the ones. Put a one in the chat if you love your life. Put a one in the chat if you love your wife. Put a one in the chat if you love your husband. Put a one in the chat if you love trading. Put a one in the chat if you love making money. Put a one in the chat if you're ready for the day. Put a one in the chat if you're not ready for the day. Put a one in the chat if you just saw this green candle. Put a one in the chat if you love the London session. Put a one in the chat if you think that Celine absolutely crushed his first hour already. Put a one in the chat if you want to put a one in the chat. And there we go. Lots of ones. Nice.
Whoa. Look at that.
Damn, your charts are stretched. This looks like a mega god CPI candle, but it's actually just like 20, 30
Oh
points.
my god. Damn. No, but seriously, that was the most volume we've had. What was that? In points, in terms of points, that 1 minute candle was 25 points. Probably, but you know why it looks so big? Because that's pretty much the range.
Cute. Hey, you know what? Bitcoin is back at 74K. Ethereum is back at 3,300. So I'm liking this.
Time to buy. It's always a good time to buy.
Well, yeah, crypto, you just want to buy weekly.
Constant buying.
I tell you, just always TCA. Let's see. All right, chat's doing well. Celine is doing well. Everybody's doing well. That's awesome. Actually, Miriam texted me last night. I was like, "Yo, who the fuck photoshopped this thumbnail? Celine's shoulder is missing." And I was like, "Miriam, Celine's shoulder has been missing since she started working here. What do you mean?"
Oh my! Why did that? She only just saw that. What the hell?
I thought it was pretty funny.
No, but you know what? In the most recent thumbnail that we've done, my shoulder has like come back together a little bit. Does she know
a little
that
bit, but it's still fucked.
I don't know what happened. I'm gonna speak to Ayosha about that one. That's
Johnny
funny.
Soap says Bitcoin going to zero. Well, Johnny Soap, that's impossible. That is absolutely impossible because at $1, I will buy so many Bitcoins you can't even imagine, and that will refuse to let it go to zero, you know?
Oh, yeah, me too. All right. Markets are pumping. We haven't been in any trades. Well, I haven't taken a long, but did get a nice SMT at Asia low so far with ES, and it's been a nice reaction, but I didn't get a setup.
So we wait. I mean, the Asia range right now from Asia high to Asia low is super tight. It's like 60 points.
Yeah, it's nothing.
60 points. So I would assume we get a breakout now to the upside here. If not, well, then we're stuck. Gold,
yeah, I'd be happy. The usual, like for me, usually now I would have taken that long to the Asia high, but now we've swept that. Like I'm sort of a little bit more hesitant, but I feel like a day like today, I'd be willing to take a continuation to the upside today. I still think we could go higher.
Nice. AM1 RM1 says just past 450k growth on that pop. Hell yeah, man. Nice.
Oh yeah.
W. Okay, there's almost Asia high.
Oh,
Yes,
and
just took it out. Yes, just took it out. Thank you, not yet.
Nice. I got a shout out because Shenlong was letting me know they were in a trade for 5 hours just before, and they said finally hit full TP after exactly 6 hours. So I'm glad you finally got there.
Hey, there is Asia high.
There we go.
Nice.
Damn. Longs are printing.
Nice.
So it looks like Asia was a consolidation. Frankfurt had this little retracement, push down to take out Asia low on ES, and now it looks like London is the pump.
London is the pump. For those of you who were there during the New York stream yesterday, when I left the stream, let's double check here, Roman. Let's go to my screen. I left the stream at 11, right here. So market was here when I left the stream. Sputnik asked me, so what are your last words for the stream? I said, market only goes up. Look what happened.
Damn, market maker.
Damn, yeah. Well, you know what's funny? Like exactly when I said it was here. So I said it and it immediately dropped. That was funny.
The Nicholas Wickles. The perfect short.
However, it went up another, what was that? Let's see. It went up another 246 points from there.
Insane. Did you take any trades in New York?
Yeah, Black Interval was the one. Black Interval, what's up, man? He actually was the one who said, just when you said that, market went down. Now I'm crying. Funny. I love that you're honest. Handshake on that one.
I love that he's here in New York and London as well.
Yeah, fuck yeah, Black Interval. Let's see.
Yeah, I'm sure some of these guys took longs. It was a crazy market pump, but I went to bed. Not one of the days you should be going to bed. After when I woke up seeing that pump, kind of having a little bit of FOMO. But yeah, I was showing these guys. I actually took a short Nick yesterday in New York, and it hit. So crazy, yeah. It wasn't anything crazy. I took I think it was 35 points.
You're a psychopath.
I know.
By the way, that pump that we just got was on Financial Chooses rip folder. US and Iranian negotiation teams to return to Islamabad for peace talks later this week. That's good.
That's good. More bullishness in the markets. I like it. That's why I'd be happy to take a long here based on the fundamentals as well. I just think we're gonna keep on pumping. I said today all-time highs.
All-time highs.
New all-time highs. 26. What was it? 26,399. Oh my gosh! As if we stopped just before
26,564.
Excuse me. On the contracts. Hold on.
Well, it depends if you be adjusted or not, but all new all-time highs would require VIX to drop significantly. VIX opens in 6 minutes, so we'll see. But nice bump here through Asia.
Finally getting some.
Dupe Monkey says, we're doing the giveaway you said to get Nick on. Wait, we're doing a giveaway? What?
Oops.
I'm the giveaway.
I told them we have to wait until Nick comes on, and then I said the Wheel of Masters will decide what we're giving away. And then not the Wheel of Masters, the Master of the Wheels. The Master of the Wheels.
So did they hit a like goal for a giveaway?
And Roman was cracking down on them. Even Roman was like punishing them. So we hit 350 likes in an hour.
Oh, okay. That sounds like a giveaway. If I'm honest. So? Yeah.
Well, there you go.
What about if we spin this wheel? Should we spin it? We have free pizza on here, by the way.
Pizza, this thing.
Yeah, we gave pizza to Jonathan and his daughter yesterday. So that was a success.
Oh, yeah, Jonathan let us know. They had cookies as well, but he didn't get any because his daughter ate it all.
Wait, I sent you 4 cookies and you didn't get a single one?
Oh, poor Jonathan.
Your daughter was hungry, huh? Crazy.
He was happy he got his pizza, I guess.
Minato's asking, Nick, if I pass my growth eval, do I need to pay anything else for my funded account? Nope.
No.
It is all included. Okay. So before we spin this wheel, let's actually find out who wins. So basically, if you want to participate in this giveaway, all you got to do is you have to like the stream, you have to subscribe to the channel, and once I send you the link to the giveaway form, and by the way, some people think they're smart and already filled it out. I'm going to delete it right now. Once I send you the form, fill out that form, but only once. If you fill it out more than once, you will get disqualified. If you ask me where the form is, Lulu, you know it. You will get disqualified too. So here we go. Here we go. Fatu, thank you. I actually do feel better.
So you're able to walk again today? Looks like it.
No.
Okay. Well, it might take its time.
I'm still very sore, but it's.
But you got to do the chair test. Like, let's see you get out of the chair today. Let's see. Like, give it your all. Oh, you're like improved.
That hurt bad.
Okay, maybe not.
Fuck.
Yesterday was way worse, but.
Yeah, but yesterday I couldn't have done that. There's no way. So we're feeling better. Okay, I give you until this 5-minute candle closes to participate in the giveaway. So 2 minutes and 50 seconds.
Oh, Split Strike is hoping London is a manipulation and New York crash. I mean, I don't see that happening. I see this just happening. Miriam, show yourself. I definitely see this as being the bullish pump. I'm thinking Asia's the bottom. Like the bottom's in and we just pump from here. Especially after that red folder news. Like I see New York just continuation. But, I mean, I'm not a market maker.
Guess we'll find out.
What are you looking for to take a trade, Selena, Nick? I mean, I'm Amir looking for now a continuation to the upside. I didn't get a long down here towards Asia low because there wasn't a sweep of a previous 15-minute low, which I was waiting for. It just like sort of took off. And now I'm sort of watching the pullbacks here and seeing if I can get a long still as a continuation.
We got a new disqualification in the chat. Congrats.
What? I missed it. Disqualification.
Yeah, check the chat.
Oh. Markets. Oh. Guys,
I don't know.
It's no joke. It is no joke. Maybe like if you honestly cannot find it.
No, then you're just dumb, honestly.
Yeah, go. I was gonna say like go check yourself. Go to the doctors. I don't know.
If you can't, all right, cool. We got another disqualification. TY3. Congrats.
Oh, with the capitals as well. Anyone else while we're at it?
The thing is, like if you can't find the form, you probably shouldn't be trading, to be honest.
At that point, like just have a think about your life.
Yeah. 40 more seconds, chat.
The Mara Villa says, wow, I was up 2k, then I was down 2k, then I'm up 1k. That is the story of my life. That's trading. That is real trading. Up, down, up again, down for a little bit more. Like, yep, that's it.
Let's see. What else we got?
Gabriel, guys, just enter once. It's not that hard. Gabriel, we know. Like, we tell these guys all the time. It's not that hard.
KCT says, I don't think we should call people dumb, though. Well, if they are, we should tell them. You know, honesty goes a long way.
We should let them know.
Honesty goes a long way.
We've never been fake with you guys. We will always keep it real. And if you can't find the form when it's posted 10, sometimes more than 10 times in the chat, honestly.
Adam asks, Nick, where's the chat?
At that point, I know. It's not a bad question.
Where's Trader FX? If he's here, you're cooked. Okay, let me add everybody to the wheel.
Luli literally wants to know, Nick, is he in? Is Trader Ben here?
Probably. Most likely, actually. Okay, so here we go. Let's spin that wheel. Let's see who wins. We don't know yet what you're winning, but we'll find out. Gabriel Trade says, Grok, is this real? Okay, spinning the wheel. The winner of this first giveaway, and I say first because we have more later, maybe, if you're nice. The winner is, how do I say that?
That guy was in the chat before, the African 1340.
The African.
He was in the chat before. He was saying that Africa is one of the best time zones to trade in.
That's true. Africa is like 1 hour ahead of me. Like 1 hour back. Like UK. Same as UK, I think. Depends where you are, though.
You know what you're talking about?
Wait. What? What?
Do you know what you're saying or no? Because you just said a whole bunch. You said it is, it isn't.
It is an hour before me. Like, do you wanna go on an intellectual battle or what?
Oh, we can fact check you in a minute. So is it 1 hour before or ahead?
So I know South Africa is 1 hour earlier than where I am.
What time is it where you are?
9:17.
It's the same as you, actually.
Okay, so then they don't switch to daylight savings, because if we are in wintertime, they are 1 hour ahead, I think.
That's not what you said. Just saying. We got him, chat. We got him.
Whoa.
It is what it is. He was wrong.
See, PPX Trade says, yes, I'm in Nigeria and it's 8:17. Because this is Africa. Waka, waka.
Now, is he here? Is he actually here? We're so distracted.
Where are you? I haven't seen him yet.
He left. Wait, let me try tag him because he's already commented. He's not here.
Oh no.
That really sucks.
No. African trader, where are you? We need you. Can you not tag him?
If we sing the song, maybe he'll come back.
Okay, I'll give you 40 more seconds. Come on now. Come on now. You can't win a giveaway and then leave. What the hell is wrong with you?
That really sucks. And he was here.
It says, and yes, we don't use daylight savings. So.
What? Are we still going on about it? He was wrong, guys.
Celine just wants to beat me so bad at anything.
But I did.
No, you didn't.
Feels good. No, it's good because I need them to know, like, not everything you say is a dictatorship around here. You can be wrong. Not always right.
All right. You're right, Celine. Congrats.
Yippee!
Yippee! All right, he didn't claim. Sorry.
All right.
Next winner, removing him. Bye. Next winner, or actually a winner, is Ravboy777. Ravboy777. Type something in the chat. Don't be like the African trader. Claim your price.
Please be here. Rav boys.
Please.
Rav boys. What you gonna? Oh, I don't think he's here, guys.
Rav boys. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when I come for you? Come on now, you can't.
I swear he's not here. Is this the right form? Oh, there he is.
Yep. There he is. Nice. All right, Rav boys. Very nice. Let me check something.
Rav boys.
All right. Let's actually spin that wheel. Let's see what you win.
Here we go.
We're going to do a growth, select, and lightning funded option. And free pizza, of course. So,
Oh, yeah.
spinning both wheels. Rav boys, you win. You win a growth account. Okay. 50K growth.
50K.
50K growth. Nice. Nice.
Congrats.
Pius is asking, congrats. Is this the last giveaway today? No, it's not. It's the first giveaway of today. All right. So, Rav boys, all you got to do is add your email address to your YouTube channel description and make sure it is the actual email address that you use to log into your Tradeify accounts. Okay. So don't add a random email address. Add the ones that you actually that you use to log into Tradeify.co. And congrats, we're going to send you your free account within the next 7 days. Look out for an email. Nice.
All right, that's fun.
Goal. Next like goal, 600.
That's so, sir.
All right.
Doable.
600.
Doable.
Lulu says, now you can say it. Where's the form?
Oh, Leo's saying, let him gamble. We'll save that for the second one. We'll save that.
Ooh, we're doing a gamble on the second one? Damn, okay.
Are we not?
Lucifer says, if the wheel ends up on lightning pizza, do you get superpowers after eating that pizza, or do you get electrocuted after eating it? You get superpowers and then electrocuted.
Guess what I had for dinner last night? I
Pizza.
showed the chat already. Pizza pepperoni.
Guess what I had for lunch yesterday?
What?
Pizza!
You did? It was all the pizza talk.
Yeah.
I finished stream and I was like, straight to my fiance, yep, we're going for Italian and that's it. Pizza.
Pizza pepperoni. Justin says you should do the odds of 005. What do you mean?
What?
And also Justin is asking if Jonathan got his pizza. Yes, he did. And his daughter did too.
And cookies.
And cookies. Frank, I'm feeling better. Thanks for asking. Hope you're well.
You guys are not eating healthy.
You guys are not eating healthy. Yeah, okay. So here's a very, very important thing to understand. Many people think when you eat healthy and you want to be athletic and you want to be fit, you can never eat junk food, ever. You can only eat carrots and you can only eat very, 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 very healthy foods.
Only water and carrots.
Exactly. But here's the thing. That's not the truth. If you eat healthy and you eat balanced and you track your macros, you focus on protein and you keep track of your caloric intake, you can eat a pizza every now and then. You can eat McDonald's every now and then. You can, like, I literally had visible abs for my entire life. And I love junk food. And I eat junk food.
There you go.
But it has to be in balance. That's the key. So PPX Trades, yesterday we ate unhealthy. That is absolutely correct. But in general, not true.
But hold on, like, if it's a good quality pizza, I don't even call that, like, it's not the same. You can't classify that like McDonald's, eating McDonald's. Like, I don't know in terms of calories. I think it would be, if it's a nice dough, if it's like good quality ingredients, like less, like light on the cheese, like a nice mozzarella, like good quality ingredients can be very different to like having a like takeaway, crappy pizza. So I'm gonna back that up there. Pizza is not the worst if it's good quality. But
yeah, but still bad, technically.
But still bad. It's still bottom of like the eating pyramid. Like, should not be having every day. No.
Ozempic says I also have visible abs. Yeah, of course you take Ozempic. So, duh.
Oh yeah. No, you guys would be surprised. Like, I do eat junk food, but it's all about balance as well. I do eat junk food. It's a thing, but I'm quite small still. Somehow.
Week Sweeper, Joey Morgan streams Globex Asia on his own stream. TTV soon, maybe? Yeah, maybe. Very much maybe.
And at this pizza place, at this Italian restaurant I was at, they had a protein pizza dough as a choice. So there you go. You could have been getting, you can get like, I think it was something like 25 grams protein, 30 grams protein. So not bad. Not bad.
Damara Villa says it's all about genetics. Not true. Nope.
Nope. Definitely not.
Week Sweeper says, yay. Wait, why? Oh, because of the Globex stream? Yeah.
Oh.
Yep. Yes, we are champions. I know I need to join the MOT morning show, but they never reach out to me. Every single time they come on Tradeify TV, they say, oh, you have to come on our show. And I'm like, I'll come on your show. Well, you got to invite me. And then they never reach out. Tell them. Tell them.
Got to crash their stream one day. Yeah, chat. You got to go and tell them in the chat.
Justin says pizza is dough, ketchup, and cheese.
Oh no. Great, now Nick is ignoring me.
Wait, who?
What?
The Afghan trader. I'm literally the one who every single day takes a screenshot of your message and sends it to Brannon, so he finally sends you your account. Every single day.
It's not in our hands, guys.
And now you're telling me I'm ignoring you? You know what? You're on thin ice right now. Very thin ice.
Thin ice, the Afghan trader. You heard him. But in all honesty, guys, like, we're not the ones who can send you the accounts. Like, all we can do is be the messengers, send it over to Brannon, and then hope it's like at the top of his to-do list. Yeah. Why aren't you guys looking for sales here? Says Papes Texan. Just not the system, not the play. I do expect us to have some sort of pullback, but definitely see this market pumping. We had some red folder news come out that there is a peace deal and talks, so do expect a market pump again.
I like this bull flag, honestly, on 5 minutes. Let's see. Brandon Baker says, my physique literally changed with regular workouts and eating better. That's how it works.
But it's easy with like social media to think like you got to eat less, like calorie deficits and all that to like be healthy. But like, I don't know. In my opinion, that's not health. Just eat balanced, eat good protein, have good nutrients in you.
Have a like if you wanna lose weight, be on a caloric deficit, and that's it. The Maravilla says just use steroids and eat everything, die young. Or that, I guess. Funny.
When did you start getting into the gym?
It can't be that simple. It is that simple.
But it is.
What was your question, Celine?
When did you start getting into gym? Because I know you're at the gym discipline like every day.
Yeah, so I had a tumor in 2014 in my back, and I initially went to the gym after that to strengthen my back because my bones and everything was like super fucked up. Just to have a strong enough back to be able to to not get any back pain basically. And then I stayed with it. So I had the tumor in 2014, and then after recovery, probably joined the gym late 2014, maybe like 12 years.
Going on 12 years.
Yeah,
that's awesome.
Cheeseball says gym is love, gym is life. Nah, I don't like the gym. I let you just go for the benefit.
Yeah, for me, it's just got to be built into your routine. It's not like anyone actually loves going to the gym, do they? I mean, maybe some people, but even when it feels good after the actual like going to the gym is still, it's hard to get up and just go. Make it a habit.
Thanks, Justin. Let's see.
Yeah, wow, that's a pretty crazy thing you went through, Nick. I know you've talked about it on stream before, but
it was crazy, but also like it was funny because
no,
when I told you, they were like, yeah. So here's the thing, this tumor usually, like people who are 70 plus have this, not people your age. I was 18 at the time, so.
And do they know like what it was caused from, or like how, or?
Nope.
I don't really know those things. They're random.
Random. It's just it can happen.
Yeah.
Son, yeah. So I did check your mail, and I understand you're obviously frustrated, but no need to send me 1,000 emails. Okay, one would have been enough. And the thing is, I mean, do you want me to call you out on stream, or should I just not do it?
Call him out.
No, it's his choice. I can give you the facts if you want me to tell the stream the facts, but I will.
Wait, which
comment
is this?
I shut my mouth if you say I shouldn't say anything about it. Like, I want to respect you.
Wait, which comment is this?
From
from the Wall Street.
Yeah, son.
Just do 30 pull-ups a day and you're good. Pull-ups is so hard. Let me tell you, as a short, small person, pull-ups are freaking hard. I really have no upper body strength. Oh, the chat wants a drama, Nick.
I just sent you a message.
Okay.
Did you just say pull-ups are hard?
Yes.
Can you do a pull-up?
One. My
Nice.
sister, here's the thing.
That's more than most.
My younger sister is a PT and she can do like, I don't know, a crazy amount. And she's smaller than me. She's my younger sister. So I know I have it in me to do it. But I don't know, it's just you have to train so much the upper body. I'm very weak.
Why did I think you're an only child?
What? I'm a child of 4.
4? Wait, are you the youngest?
I'm in the middle. Do I seem like a middle?
How can you be the middle of 4?
Yeah, what the hell? Okay. I'm not the first, not the last. Okay, not the second oldest. I'm the 3rd oldest. So I'm like, okay. It's my little sister, it's me, then my older sister, then my older brother. So I call that the middle. Somewhere in there. I didn't know. There's no real middle. But yeah. Whatever, guys. Not gonna be one of those streams. I told the chat I've come to the stream more refreshed today. I'm not gonna make a fool.
Nice.
She's the half child.
I still like this bull flag. The thing is, it's already pretty high. But you know what? We are gonna try this. Let me just. It's very high to take this up here, but let me just check. Is there an account I haven't traded yet? Nope. Take it on this one. All right, so risking about $470 to make like, let's see, 63 and a quarter. Yes, to make 635. Let's see.
Nice. I think it can still play out. I was hoping to get a sweeping back into this 5-minute gap, seeing as though like we did leave this behind, but no retracement.
No retracement. I actually wanted to take it at around 6:15, but I didn't get the pullback again. So rather than missing it, I'm trying it.
Where's it stop?
608.
Okay, yep. Bottom of that range.
The Afghan Trader says, okay, we'll drop now. Nick is long. Thanks. Please drop. Afghan Trader, you're on thin ice. I would be careful. I'm just saying.
Do we have a new trading markets in the chat? Is this an old?
Maybe.
This is an old account.
Maybe that's it. I don't know. Guess we'll find out. Denzel says, Nick, let's play a game. I will let you guess a pizza spot in my area. I'll give you a clue. It is named after DC Comics hero. And if you get it right, you order pizza from that place. Wait, so I can only lose.
Nick wins.
If I win, you get a pizza. And if I lose, you still win somehow.
What? That's funny. How about if Nick wins, you get him the pizza? That would make a lot more sense.
Ooh.
Although Nick's you already probably had your calories. You had your pizza yesterday.
Yeah, I did. But I also burned 6,000 calories on Sunday, so.
That's true. You're still eating back your calories.
Yeah, for real. For real. No.
Chat, by the way, we're at 489 likes and we said 600 and we're going to do a second giveaway on stream today. So make sure if you're just joining on, smash the like button. Make sure you subscribed as well so we can talk in the chat. But more importantly, well, not more importantly, but equally as important, smash the like button so we can give an account away.
The Rise, how did I burn 6,000 calories? I ran a marathon.
Without prep. If you didn't hear my intro. The no prep marathon running.
True, you mentioned it. Ozempic says, man, pizza in Switzerland must cost about the same as my rent. Well, if you live in a tent, maybe.
What's the giveaway? What do I need to do to participate? Okay. Participation is literally smash the like button and then you have to fill out a form. It's as simple as that. If we get the like count hit, then we do it. It's like, can you show the overnight oats again? Justin, you're very close. We're on thin ice now, Justin. Mm-hmm.
Justin about to get the band hammer from Celine.
I got the band hammer at the ready.
Oh, by the way, let me zoom into this for you guys. I know you love this.
Yes, thank you.
Better?
Better. Optimal. Ban him, Celine, Andrea. Andrea, I'll give him a warning. I also gave someone else here was on a warning. Johnny Soap. Because he was telling the chat to give thumbs down for some reason today.
A little thumbs downer.
Mm-hmm.
Why would he do that? Why is there even a thumbs down button on YouTube? Like, it doesn't even make sense.
I don't even know. It's for the trollers out there. Like, if you don't like the stream, don't watch. You don't need to leave a thumbs down.
Yeah.
Just leave us.
That's true. Just Black says an actual hammer would be sweet. That's true. Give you that. Black Interval. Damn, you're hating the Paul brothers, huh? I think, honestly, to stir the pot here, Logan Paul and Jake Paul are so brilliantly smart. They're fucking geniuses.
I think anyone with that much following and money, like, they're not dummies.
Nope.
They know what they're
very
doing.
intelligent people.
I mean, yeah.
Wow. Viral post. That's very desperate. Can I get a warning too, Celine? I just want to receive something from you.
What the...
Bro.
Are these the guys that want us to say hi? Hi, Viral post.
Hi.
Hi. Oh, that's funny. You clearly haven't seen Logan Paul's podcast. I have. I've seen them in interviews.
I have too.
Damn, there's a lot of like Paul Brothers haters in the chat. We better not bring up the Tape Brothers in here. It's gonna go crazy.
We just love rage baiting, you know.
Miss Celine, we pray for Nick's TP. Nick's TP is looking good. Okay, chat. It's going
We'll
and
find
keep
out,
going.
I guess. We'll find out.
The chat's gonna go off now. Tape Brothers are great.
Now we started something.
Oh, Lulu. Hey, Nick, I paid for your OnlyFeed subscription. When can I receive the pictures?
Oh, it's actually a scam that I'm doing.
So,
like, you can subscribe, but you'll never receive anything. It's pretty cool. I make money for nothing. It's awesome.
oh my gosh, chicken's in the chat. We got
Hey,
chicken.
everybody say "Pakak" or good morning, chicken.
And he's actually in this long with you, sir.
Nice. But you probably had the better entry. My entry sucked. So what's your entry, chicken?
And chicken, why aren't you here for the hour when I'm writing solo?
Yeah, that's
Okay.
a great question.
That is
Undefined
a
games. Am I trading on funded? Yes. What's the model for this trade? Pod cash lungs or prot cash lungs? Bull flag break. Chicken's entry was 24. Nice entry. Good.
Chicken, you didn't answer why you're not here at 7 a.m. UK. Ignoring me.
Damn, Glenn.
Lulu's asking
A lot of chickens.
chicken.
TP 944. Okay.
Oh damn! To the moon. Chicken, I said all-time highs today. Just saying.
I mean, 944 is not unrealistic, but depends a bit where your stop is. Where is your stop?
When are we gonna get a pullback? I want to enter longs.
He says, I was stuck in traffic punching my steering wheel, Celine.
That's fair enough. I've been there many times.
Stuart BD, how did you calculate your TP? Usually, NQ tends to reject or like to struggle at the 60-70 zone. So anywhere between 60 and 70. And 63 and a quarter is a very good TP on NQ. That's the next level it logically technically has to go to. But we'll see. What's that sound?
I was gonna say only you can hear it. I checked with Roman and the chat before. They can't hear the construction.
What?
But there's construction again. It's still this same building that has been going on. They stopped for a little while, and I thought they were like, I don't know, the project lost money. And I was hoping they weren't going to start again, but they've started again.
Well, it doesn't really matter though, because you're moving anyways, right?
Oh yeah, that's what I was like. Okay, Nick only has to, because it's only you that has to deal with it. You and Roman. The chat can't hear it.
Funny.
But I said it's
I got
only
a question
for another
though.
week. Yes. Go on.
Did you try a Torres Gelato?
Not yet, but I have a list. I have a list of all the
much time
places I'm
left.
going.
Not much time left.
Oh, I'm going. Because there's
Okay,
a few other places on that street I need to go. I know exactly where it is. There's a crazy, like the best cinnamon rolls you'll ever have. Cinnamon. I don't know if you went there. Let's just
Nope.
pull that up. Guys, let's just pull that up. Roman, quick switch. Look at these cinnamon rolls. They do them in like all different flavors. So it's not just like the usual cinnamon, like cinnamon and normal icing. They do like red velvet, pistachio, Nutella, whatever you want. So I have to go back there too. All right, that's all.
Okay, back to my charts. That looks good though.
It is very good. I will miss the food in Bali. There are some really good cafes, restaurants. Yeah.
But I mean, Australia has good restaurants too, right?
Oh yeah, especially Melbourne. Like where I'm from, we're known. If there's anything we're known for, it's the food and coffee. The thing in Melbourne, we have a really good food and coffee. But like, I mean, most of the good places here, I'm gonna say like were opened by the Australians, so it's sort of why it's good quality here as well. But Chicken says, since you're going to Thessaloniki, go to Cinnabon. Is that... Wait, what's Cinnabon? Is that a European version? Cinnabon. Oh, Cinnabon? I think I
Yeah,
was
he probably
Cinnabon.
it just can't spell properly. It's just dumb.
Oh, it's just one of those. Naveen says, I'm from Brizzy. Food is awesome. How does this stream always end up... We always end up talking about food here. Food and trading.
I'm hungry again. Like, I could order McDonald's right now, honestly.
Did you have... Wait, did you go to the gym today?
No, I went to the spa today.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
I could use a Big Mac right now. I'm not gonna lie.
I can't. I had pizza yesterday.
I did too.
Yeah, but you ran a marathon. You ran a marathon.
Yeah, but that was 2 days ago. Now that doesn't count anymore today.
Do you reckon you've actually eaten the 6,000 back up in 2 days? Wait, easily, probably. What do you eat a day?
Oh yeah, I've been on a caloric deficit for a while at 2100.
Wow.
That's low. That's very low.
That is low.
AKA being hungry all the time.
That is low.
Hey, what up, Cam Bam? How we doing?
Cam Bam, good to see you.
Yazamir says, Mr. Market, please go up. Mr. Market, please go up. Mr. Market, please go up. Mr. Market, please go up.
Celine, do you eat Marmite? Says Caleb. No. No Marmite or Vegemite, whatever you guys want to call it. Hell no. It's a black spread, and that just freaks me out. Like, what has to go into it to make it black? What even is it? Freaky.
Hey Monk says, order food, mukbang. You know what I would order right now? An acai bowl.
Oh,
okay.
Like you mean an acai?
Repeat that name, Celine.
You talking about the acai bowl?
Let me actually... let me see. Let me see.
Glenn, chicken. Nick ran a marathon. What did you do this weekend? He's asking. Chicken.
Wait, what?
Glenn's asking chicken. Nick ran a marathon. What did you do this weekend?
Well, I know what his answer is going to be. His answer is going to be like, if you search for my name on the marathon page, I ran it. Okay. Little quiz question. How many calories do you think an acai bowl has? Like a regular acai bowl.
Regular with just like 500?
Oh, pretty good. 543. Good guess. He says, I have the bragging rights and my legs don't hurt. All I'm saying. I mean, you're not wrong. You are not wrong, sir. Ian Will says, lol, first stream where their streamers got time. I'm here for it. Hell yeah. Welcome. Welcome to Tradeify TV, the best TV in the Tradeify TV space.
in the trading space in general.
Yeah, that is the new jingle.
Well, welcome to Tradeify. No, I can't repeat.
Chicken is such a... Oh man, I can't wait to fucking beat you in Age of Empires next time, man. By the way, speaking of that, Chicken, when? This weekend? This weekend I actually have time.
You got a free 8 hours?
Age of Empires this weekend will be fire. Abel says, I'm sure I love Tradeify because of you guys. Hell yeah, man. Nice.
Yay. We love having you guys here.
Well, Ozempic, I believe you. However, I don't live in Brazil.
I've also never been there. But I'm sure it would be better.
Lulu says, Nick, you and Joker should join the Ironman. Well, Chicken actually tried to do one, but he stopped after half. So he's only half an Ironman.
Wait, Kurt, you must be new here. He said, wait, y'all play Age of Empires? I love this stream.
Oh, yeah.
Kurt,
I love Age of Empires.
We play games, we trade, we do it all. But I'm not playing Age of Empires.
You should. I think you would like it, honestly.
Well, you know what stupid game I got? Freaking, you know, like those games that get advertised. It was called like Sling King Shot or something. You know, have you ever seen that on the? Like when you're in an app or like you get an ad. Oh, let me show you. King Shot.
What?
Basically, you have to defend like your little kingdom. I downloaded it anyway because I was playing it like in the ad. You know, when you're waiting for something, you can play the ad. I played the ad.
Oh.
And basically, like you defend your troops, you defend your like thing, and like you collect coins and build your military. And then I was thinking like, okay, this is actually fun, but like it got pretty boring. It was slow, and I was like, oh, Age of Empires is probably similar to this, right? Like based on what you explained, like you know,
Age of Empires is sick. Like
it's probably more complex.
Ask anybody in the chat who has played it if they like it, and everybody will say they love it.
Like I would probably play the mobile version because
the mobile version. No, Celine.
Well, I don't want to spend 8 hours playing. I just can't right now. Okay.
Well, you can also play for shorter. You don't have to play for 8 hours.
You've made your millions, Nick, and that's why you get to relax a bit more in life. But I haven't. I need to make my millions, and then I can play 8 hours straight. Okay.
Come on the weekend.
Justin Celine playing the TikTok ad games. Yeah, you guys, you know those ones they wrote me in. No, King Shot really got me, but it was such bullshit. Like the version of the game I was playing in the ad, when I downloaded it, it wasn't the same thing. It was completely different. So I only got hooked playing it for like 5 minutes and then deleted it.
Hangover, Nick. Age of Mythology or mythology? Is it mythology? Yeah, I think so. Is really good too. I agree. But you gotta use the cheat code O Canada and get the laser bears. Justin, GTA on stream, London sesh. I mean, when GTA 6 comes out, why not? Why not?
Yes, I will play that. We can run like missions together. That'll be fun.
Hell yeah. So, but next week we're gonna do, or in 2 weeks, I can't remember. We're gonna do Mario Kart battle.
Yeah.
Celine, have you been practicing as I told you you should?
I don't need practice on that one.
Okay.
Have you?
No.
I hope you have.
No, but I know the thing is I know how to drift.
Yeah, but you're gonna be drifting with lag, so good luck with that. That's all I'm gonna say.
Lulu says Nick's gonna have a daughter or a son before GTA 6. Maybe, who knows?
Did I have a date or when that's expected? I thought it was like
end of this year, no?
Oh, I don't know. What's it based on? I mean, which like map? Do we know anything about it? I know nothing about it.
I don't know.
GTA 5 is the only one that I played.
What?
I was gonna say GTA 5 is the only one that I played, so and I like that.
GTA 5 is sick. Justin, am I pregnant? Yeah, can't you see? Like
what? Someone asked me that today as well. Why do they think they're pregnant?
Ooh, we're getting close to the stop here. Close, close, close. Sonny says Trump is talking now at 4 a.m.
There's no way that guy's awake.
Probably not.
Market is looking like that.
I got stopped. Wah, wah, wah. That's okay. It's a $475 loss.
Nice.
On to the next one.
Risk managed. Nice.
Still says, Nick, see money beats you into stream every day. Wait, what are you trying to say?
That's because I get here first, he means. I beat him. See money beats you into stream? China threatening countermeasures. Wait, is there actual news coming out?
Let's see. Financial truths? No.
Chad, is anyone in any trades or? I'm still looking for longs.
Looking for love.
Looking alone.
Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow, meow. Let's see. The Maravilla is saying, I'm trying to catch the knife. Jonathan is short right now. All right.
Okay.
In a short from the top, says Wax. Whatever the top means.
Mm-hmm.
Not yet. Exited longs.
Sitting out today.
Still in a long. Okay, we have long, shorts, everything right now.
It's a bit mixed, yeah. Which is sort of concerning when it's all mixed.
Yeah, but I mean, look at the hourly chart. This is the first hourly candle today that's actually moving a bit. AM1, RM1, Nick, any advice on Tradesy lag? I don't have any lags on Tradesy.
I haven't had Tradesy lag.
Tradesy is working perfectly.
I did have an issue myself using Tradesy. Like, that was a me issue. I once had that on stream, but no actual issues with the platform. It's just me.
Cheskara's Baika says, when I turn your stream, I always see you lose, guys. Well, then you clearly don't watch every episode of Tradeify TV.
That is true. You mustn't have been here yesterday.
Nope.
I did take a win.
Yep.
Took a break even. Took a win. So.
Long 6932.25. Trading ES, okay.
Kurt says he likes my hair. Thank you, Kurt.
And what about mine, Kurt?
Nah, I'm convinced yours is fake. Not even real.
Damn, it just got proposed to in the chat. Look at that. What's your answer?
Oh. Well, how much money you got? No. Kidding, I'm not like that.
Yeah, that's the right answer.
Sorry, fiance, if you're watching. I'm good.
Hey,
thank you,
Jonathan.
but no thank you.
Jonathan, my man. Wait, Roman, what you say? Oh.
Oh no. I'm gonna be divorced before I'm married now.
Doesn't she have a boyfriend? It's just Shani. Not anymore.
Nope. Like I said, divorced before marriage. I'll be the first one.
Let's see. AOS Capital. Hey guys, any advice on someone switching to futures from FX? Yes, sir. Go to youtube.com. Type in Tradeify. Boom. Then click on our channel. Then go to playlists. Then hit Futures Foundations by Tradeify. And then hit this playlist. Bada bing, bada bong. And you're going to see all our educational videos. By the way, more are coming about like how futures work, why futures, how funded accounts work, etc., etc., etc. It's pretty good.
I just
but it's pretty good.
I'm just quickly, Roman, I'm just looking at a buy stop here on NQ. Okay, I just got filled. It's not my usual setup, but I'm just looking at the reasoning behind this. It's only 1 mini, nothing crazy, but basically I like that we tapped into the 15-minute gap after off that move to the downside. And yeah, I just took it off based off a 1 minute reaction, the 1 minute IFEG here, and then had a buy stop just above once we confirmed the IFEG. I didn't market enter. I wanted to see us, just in case we were going to keep moving down, I had the buy stop instead this time. And I'm just going to target the high.
Nice. AOS Capital says, Arigato. I speak Japanese for those of you who don't know. Toredoborosa.
Yeah, hangover Nick. Delivery from the 15-minute and SMT and IFEG. That is pretty much the idea there. Wait, was there an
Brandon, that's tough. Wait, did I get Nicholas Wigglist? Oh yeah, I did. Haha, look at that. Look at this beauty.
I mean, it can still dump.
It can always.
This guy in the chat, I think he's the same one who proposed. He said, "My stop loss on my shorts is your TP, and I hope your trade wins it so much. I love you." Aw, well, you know what? I appreciate that. Oh, that's funny. I don't even know what to say.
Yeah. Wait, Bodhi, I don't get it.
What's going on?
Like I'm one who gets jokes very quickly, but that one I don't get it.
I am not.
We probably shouldn't read it out loud, but.
All right, let me see. Where is he?
I don't get it.
Let me find his comment.
Oh, I get it. I get it. Took me a while.
I didn't get it, Nick.
Oh, wait. There's a knock on the door. Jonathan, who's there?
Nick, I didn't get it.
Wait, I'll send it to you in the back room.
Okay, thanks. I'm very slow with jokes. Oh. Yeah, that's good. Yeah.
Jonathan says, smash the damn like button. Funny. But you know what, Bodhi trades? It would be better. Well, okay, well, you said Asian. Yeah, whatever. Never mind. No, wow, now the chat is turning into a joke box here. Kurt, only asking Celine? Damn it. Okay, I'll let Celine answer.
Kurt loves my hair. Kurt,
Yeah.
you can look at my hair.
We're
here every day. I'm here every day. 7 a.m. UK to 10 a.m. UK. Monday to Friday.
3 hours.
3 whole hours.
And Nick, oh, thanks, Kurt. I'm always live from 8 a.m. UK time until 10 a.m. for 2 hours.
Oh, hold on. Thank you. Dumping. No, not really a dump. If you stretch out your charts though, whoa.
Wow. Oh my God, the world is collapsing.
What a drop. Let's zoom in. This is ultra zoom. What a drop. What a drop of water.
A water drop? Can I get a bottle of water? Mikael David says, I'm only here for Celine.
I got so many fans in the chat today.
Damn, man.
What happened?
I feel
left
out. I don't know, but
for so long these guys used to make fun of me and I've somehow won them over.
Yeah.
Somehow. I'm glad, chat. It's just me and you versus Nick.
I mean, look, if you want, chat, I can just not appear anymore and I'll leave the show to Celine. How about that?
No, I told them before. I said London Session is only London Session as a duo. It's never going to be the same, okay?
Wow, Big V took it up a notch and said, we're all only here for Celine. Nick, you can get the fuck out.
Oh, wow. Oh, damn.
Sorry.
Hey, that's my big bro, people, okay? Don't be messing with me and my big bro.
Hell yeah.
I'm very serious.
I'll be back for that.
Yeah.
So maybe we need to kick that Big V guy.
Yeah, let's get him out of here. That's not the attitude. We're the duo. Okay?
Yep.
We're the London duo. Yep. Your favorite London duo.
Hell yeah, Justin. The duo is Vegemite IKEA. Hey, nice recovery there on your trade.
Hey?
Nice
yeah, recovery. It's true, we're recovering.
Market Maker Mario says, morning. Morning, Market Maker Mario.
Morning. But how was chat hating on Celine though? Well, Kurt, for a while here, they used to just think I was AI and nothing else.
Well, no. She is AI. That's still a fact. Just to be very clear. It's my AI sister, you know?
How can you be related to AI if you're not AI yourself?
Because I programmed
Plot twist. We're both AI.
Lady, I programmed you.
Lady has a name.
Well, the AI lady, sorry. Say Eileen was her real name.
Eileen was her real name. Excuse me, 6K82. I have the band hammer. I'm pretty sure you guys have forgotten, but I also have a band hammer around here. I haven't used it in a while, but I can get it out.
Look, Kissmas is an OG. Kissmas understands. Kissmas says, clearly they weren't here before Celine. Nick ran the stream alone and he was amazing. Then we had the pleasure of Celine joining and the stream became even better. That I agree on. Shake hands on that. Appreciate you, Kissmas. You're a legend.
Love you, Kiss. It really is.
All right.
Kiss, have you been any trades today? Any gold trades?
The Maravilla, you're getting ban forever. See ya, bye.
I did not see the comment. And on that note.
Oh yeah, we should play that every single time we ban somebody.
Yeah. Yeah.
Glenn says, I'm sure the stream gets more viewers than New York session. It's actually close. It's actually very close.
Yeah, we're pretty much on par. I mean, both key sessions of the day, I guess, for that matter.
Yep. It's true. Kurt says, I tuned in before and saw Nick walking on his treadmill during stream, but it's been a while since I tuned in. I walk on treadmill every single day, except for yesterday and today, because I'm still sore. But we'll be back walking tomorrow. Kiss, you had an ice cream day yesterday? That's good.
Nice. It's good. Some days it's not always a tradable day. Like, yeah. I'm shocked I'm actually trading this. Not my usual setup. This is actually like, it's more of a at my discretion sort of trade I felt like taking. But other than that, I wouldn't have really had a setup if I didn't take this trade. But who knows? We're still together for another hour or less than an hour now. So,
how close are we to the giveaway goal, by the way?
Oh yeah, what the hell?
What the hell?
Yeah. Maybe we've already hit it.
What the hell, LeBron James?
What the hell? Let me see. Okay, we are at. Oh my! We said 600 likes. You know what we're at?
What?
709. They
709. What the heck?
You guys smashed it. What the hell?
You know what that means? The winner gets to spin the gamble wheel.
Yay, gambling. We love gambling.
Okay. Wait a minute. How do we have 1,000 people in the Google form?
Oh, these guys. Well, do we have to redo the form?
Yeah. Oh my God, there are plenty of people that filled it out like 1,000 times. So wait, somebody filled it out in my name. What the fuck?
Oh, what? Plot twist.
That is funny. Okay, I'm deleting everybody from the Google form. Do not fill it out right now. If you fill it out right now, you'll get disqualified. Just saying. So if you want to participate in this giveaway, I'll send you a link shortly to a Google form. Fill out that Google form. But before you fill it out, you have to like the stream. You have to subscribe to the channel. Otherwise, it's not a valid entry. And only fill out the form once. If you ask me where the Google form is, you will get disqualified. If you fill it out multiple times, you will get disqualified. So
don't do it.
There are already 3 people in the chat. 4 people in the chat who asked for the form. Are you serious, guys?
Guys, you seriously don't want to win an account? Wait, that's the same guy from before, Ty33. Where is the form, Nick? That's your second time?
Ty, you're like, your brain cells are not operating well today.
Not there or something.
Wait, who said this recently? Oh yeah, Chicken said this. This was one of the funniest things I've ever heard.
What?
He's got 2 brain cells and they're currently fighting each other.
That is a good way to put it.
This giveaway, you can fill out the form now, but we're going to pick the winner in about 30 minutes, 40 minutes.
Heinz Steak, you're very close there.
He knows. You know, I just love it when he says my name, Celine. Well, Ty33. Hello, Ty33.
Hello, Ty33.
Hope you're doing well.
And anyone else who wants a hello?
Cheese balls, that's funny.
Do Haspec.
That is funny. Love it.
Do I need to Google Translate this? Is it like...
PPX Trades, is the form the link thing in the chat? Well, click it and you'll find out, I guess.
Okay, wait. We have Cephal has asked this question 3 times. What is your education background, Celine? I did not finish university. I was in an education, like studying to be a teacher, also studying to be a lawyer before that.
Damn, lawyer Celine?
Like arts law. It was a mixed degree. I was in, but I quit all that. I gave up. I went from arts law to then wanting to teach in a primary school. Did primary school education for like a year and a half, and then whoa, what was that? Got a big candle there. And then so no higher education. Did you finish? You didn't go to no. You did not go to university, Nick. You went straight into business. Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah, there you go.
Correct.
We're both uneducated. We love it.
Yeah. By the way, everybody's asking if they need to re-enter if they entered earlier. Yes. Yep.
No, guys, I wasn't in law school. I said that so wrong. I was in an arts degree, majoring, and had majors in law, like commercial law and stuff. And I was on a pathway into the full law degree because I was still deciding. But I never went through with it. I only did like a few. What?
11 twice said you went from law school to degenning on NQ.
Wait, no, this is going to get so confused. I was never in the full law degree. I did commercial law as a unit. I did a few majors in law and then quit.
Actually, if you want to know the truth, she was a judge for 15 years before she actually started hosting on Tradeify TV.
Yeah, that's it. You can call me Judge Celine.
Judge Celine, hell yeah.
An arts degree isn't like painting arts, if you guys didn't know. It's like, gosh, what are the units I was doing in arts? Like, geez, I don't even remember. Like humanitarian sort of thing, subjects. Fuck, I don't know. It was a long time ago.
Ira Admin says, at work currently watching this. Hell yeah, my man. That's setting priorities.
I love that.
That's what's up.
Just tell your boss we're more important.
We're in the same boat then. We're also at work watching this.
Very funny.
Exactly.
Justin saying, I'm getting close to that banhammer for Justin's comment. I'm being for real. For real.
Yes, Justin.
Justin, if only you could taste the overnight oats, all right? Then you wouldn't be talking shit.
Wait, Mark McGamara says Nick should start doing English comprehension courses during the stream. Oh boy.
You're not so bad. Your English is pretty good.
Yeah, also, Mark McGamario, happy belated birthday, my man. Hope you had a great day.
When was it?
Yesterday.
Happy birthday.
Happy
Happy birthday. Hope you had a good birthday.
Rabari says Celine actually looks like an AI generated character talking real time. Yeah, that's what she is.
Guys, how do I look like a character? Like, I'm here. It's real.
That's what an AI would say. Oh, I'm real. I'm not AI.
Whatever. You know what, guys?
6K82. Wow, I haven't seen you in a while. Says, where my Indian Nick at? I haven't heard it yet on this stream. Well, he's hiding in the corner.
Can we watch Nick's first English video again? Yes, Justin. I'm down for that.
Well, go back and rewatch the stream where I played it.
Dude, that actually wasn't as bad as you made it out to be. Your English was good when you first started. For someone who didn't like do lessons or any of that.
Thank you. But it was bad still.
These guys were asking me to do Frankfurt Open in a German accent. And I said, I need Nick around because it's hard. I need to warm up to it first before I start speaking German.
Yes. Yes, from now on, you got to do the Frankfurt Open in the German accent, yes?
Yeah.
So you go, hello, Tradeify Nation. Good morning. Today we are trading the Nasdaq, also called SADAC, if you want to be really cool and hip, yeah?
SADAC. I did see that. I saw Brett said that. Guys, from now on, it's the DAC. Okay?
Yeah.
It's no longer NASDAQ. It's the DAC. But right now, we're long on the DAC.
Sion says, I wait for Nick's Indian accent. Until then, I don't sleep. Bullet, Nick is German? No, I'm not the German. I'm from the Switzerland, yes. So very close. I'm the neighbor of the Germans. That is correct.
You're not a German?
No, I'm not a German, but I'm very much a neighbor of the Germans.
Oh, tie 3-3. That is crazy.
Careful. Careful. What's your TP? The high? 643?
We got close.
Damn,
Not
so
close
many people asking for the Indian accent.
I don't blame them. Honestly, I'm still waiting, guys. I don't get to hear it either.
Guest is asking, Nick, are you from Zurich? No, I'm not from Zurich. I'm from Lucerne. It's about 35 minutes if you go by car. Or maybe a bit 40, usually. If you have a bit traffic, it's up to an hour. Yes. Do the Indian head bob? I mean, I wasn't told I can't do this. Oh shit, it slipped out. I'm sorry.
Okay, NQ, you want to play dirty today? That's fine. Let's play dirty.
Apparently.
Look. We're back at break even. Would you look at that in 2 candles?
Nah.
It took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes to get up there and 2 minutes to get down. And this is why they say, this is why I love being in shorts. Let's just say that.
Glenn says German is easy. You just have to shout the words.
Yeah, and be angry. Why are Germans always so angry?
It just sounds angry. It's like Arabic.
Wie geht's du?
Kugelschreiber. Wie geht's du? It's wie geht's dir?
Oh dear. Wie geht's dir?
Yeah. Cheeseball says angry and bitter.
You mean bitter?
Bitter.
Mit Kater bitter?
Not that bitter. That's a different one. Mr. Derb says Schmetterling. Do you know what a Schmetterling is, Celine?
No, what's a Schmetterling?
A butterfly.
No, see that? What a sweet creature to be called. Like, who the... I don't know. Schmetterling?
Oh, look, super cute Schmetterling.
That's what I mean. Oh, that language. I'll never understand. What's that?
Oh, Marv. What's up? Justin says... No, not Justin. Lulu said, Nick, put your hands in front and raise your arms. Oh, wait. Oh, fuck. Shit. I just realized. Nope. At least you said hands and not hand. So we're good.
Wait, I didn't get it.
I almost did it.
Did what?
Celine, come on now.
I swear, guys. What is wrong with me? I'm so slow.
Celine, I'll send it in the back room for like.
Nick just constantly just like giving me the explanations. Ow. Did you hear that?
Nope.
That was my leg hitting the table again.
Ouch. Celine. Okay, I'll drop this in the back room for 2 seconds. Okay, you ready?
Wait, where am I looking? Where am I looking?
Yeah, in the
thread.
Our chat.
Okay, good.
Ready? 3
Yeah.
seconds to be in there. That's what he wanted me to do.
Oh yeah. Go, get her out. Funny. Delete before we can find.
Speaking of arms, Kissmas, how's your T-Rex muscles feeling today, Nick? Honestly, still a little bit T-Rexy, but it's okay. It's getting better.
Too bad because he didn't have the proper running technique when he was marathon running.
Yeah.
Oh, Chicken, are you still in this long?
Yeah, his stop is 5:50.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I got Nicholas Wicklist on this. Look at that. Roman, let's go to my screen really quick. Look at this chat. I got Nicholas Wicklist again.
How does this happen?
I'm just a goat at getting stopped out. Barely.
It's amazing.
Yeah. TRBLSM, can Nick do an Aussie accent? Rise up, light. What up, mate?
That's pretty good. Might.
That's all I can say, though. Let's go back to Celine's screen. She's still in a trade.
Yeah, we're still sitting in this long.
Being liquidity. You're welcome. Angia, I already created a giveaway for him. I already sent it out. In case you missed it. No bueno. We have, how many people do we have in there? Wait a minute. We have bots.
Why?
We got bots
Because
we have 1,000 people in the new giveaway form again.
Guys, we're gonna have to just stop doing giveaways. What the hell?
Yeah. If you guys send bots, we're gonna stop doing giveaways. Sorry.
Seriously.
1,000. That's just stupid.
Bro, we're at 820 likes, London gang. What the? These guys, I mean, we have to do a giveaway. 820 likes is crazy.
820 likes, 768 watching, and 1,000 people in the giveaway. Like, yeah, right.
It doesn't make sense though. Make it make sense, guys. No more bots.
Rabari asking, where's Amos? Amos is sleeping right now.
Wrong stream. I mean, right stream, wrong time. Oh, is this trade gonna hit? Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. So entry was at, what time was this? 3:58, and then it's now 4:23. So over 25 minutes. Seriously, do something. Guys, how do you stay patient during trades? I just walk away normally, but seeing as we're here talking, I'll stay. Actually, I just walk away like, okay, trade's on, bye. Okay, Pape staking entered for a short. All right. You guys fading. Love it. May the odds be ever in your favor, guys.
Always.
All right, Justin. That's your third comment. You know what, Justin? That's it. 10-second ban.
No, Justin, no.
Yeah,
Justin.
he's gone 10 seconds. You can think about what he's done.
Justin, no.
Think about it, Justin.
No.
Come back when you're
Justin.
realize the mistakes you've made.
Oh, man.
That goes for any of you who want to refer to my tzatziki as overnight oats.
You mean
Okay.
TZ Dizaika?
Yeah, whatever. I'm not even gonna. No. You're trying to rage bait, and I'm not going there.
Damn it. Ira Atman, what's up? Welcome to Tradeify TV, and thank you.
Hey, welcome. Guys, if anyone is new here, drop a comment in the chat so we can welcome you. Although the trolls will probably come out. The OGs will say they're new. They just want to shout out.
Rabari ICT says, breaking. Reuters reports US and Iranian negotiation teams will return to Islamabad for negotiations later this week. My friend, I pulled up Financial Juice. Roman, let's go to my screen real quick. I pulled up Financial Juice at 9:04 and dropped that news. That was an hour and 20 minutes ago. Like, you're late to the party, my friend. Very late.
Independent Trader 10 says he's new. Welcome. I definitely haven't seen you around here. Smokes Trade's new. Kryptonia, don't even try. Angia, don't even try. A Monk, new. Okay. Wow, there's a whole bunch of you.
You had a bunch of new people. Hell yeah.
Nice. Welcome to Tradeify Nation, where Nick is definitely not the president or the dictator.
No, I'm the dictator.
All right, trolls in the chat. Now we got to stop. Cheeseballs, you're not new. Come on, NQ, pump it. I just need 643. I'm watching ES as well in case ES takes that high. I'll just close the trade.
Lulu, you are not new.
Why is something called an AI?
Because she is an AI. Johnny Jack, when does the stream end? In 34 minutes. Unfortunately today, because we got bot hacked, we're not going to do another giveaway. So...
Wait, we're not?
Get fucked.
There you go, guys. Seriously, don't mess with us. Am I serious?
Nope. Yeah, Celine, your TP is incoming. Look at that.
We don't know yet. Shut up. Now it's gonna dump. You know what? Don't jinx me.
Jinxing.
Shut up.
You're gonna get it. I'm rooting for you. You know it.
Put that money gun down. That's the rules around here. We don't touch money gun until TP hit. 3 more points.
You're gonna hit it in 3, 2, 1.
Oh, Nick.
3 quarters. 0.5.
No, that's not how this works.
0.4.
You're gonna jinx me.
0.3. 0.2. 0.1. 0.019. 0.03.
Watch the market dump now.
Damn it.
Oh. Wait.
You're gonna get it. Trust me.
We're gonna have to wait. Maybe it's because I need to drag my position tool out.
It's gonna pop now. Look, and then it's gonna go to 63.25. There we go.
Oh, there we go. Money gun.
Money gun, baby!
If he smashed.
63.25 next.
All right. Let's cancel this sell stop.
Yeah, nice trade, Celine.
Thank you.
Nice. Where's this other guy who said that we never win?
Oh yeah, I bet he's left. He just
Probably.
by chance wasn't watching that trade.
Yeah. Also, really quick, very important. Roman, if you can go to my screen real quick, I have breaking news for the chat. We want to give a quick shout out to Bullet7826, who, when Celine took the trade and it went to the drawdown, said Celine trade is invalid. So yeah, quick shout out to you,
Feels
Bullet.
good.
Congrats.
It feels like there is no other better feeling than this moment when Nick pulls up the receipts after we take wins and then we get to expose you guys. Love it. I mean, not you guys.
Bullet, at least he stayed. At least he stayed. Look, he's in the chat.
Oh, what did he say?
He's stayed.
Oh, that's good. I mean,
He's
at least you're around.
Laughing, but actually he's crying. Oh, no, it's a German guy. What's up?
Oh no.
Germany.
What's up, Germany? Oh, that's funny.
Funny.
All right. Well, see you guys. No, I'm kidding.
He's saying Nick is very resentful. No, man, you fucked up.
Yeah, we have to expose that. Don't let that slide. Das is not good. Cam. Market Maker Mara says why her trade was valid. It was a retrace to the 50% of the hourly. I mean, I told you guys why I took it, but in terms of like other reasons, I mean, hourly Market Maker Mara, I was not looking at. If I go over quickly why I was in that trade, I was waiting to see a pullback, and the area of price I wanted to see us pull back into was the 15-minute bullish gap to see how we reacted in there. I'll show you. That was this pullback on the 345 candle, and then once that pullback, I was using a 1-minute reaction out of that. So 15 to 1 minute was the alignment, and took the inversion, entered with a buy stop just before the volume Tokyo close, and then yeah, that was it.
A Monk says, I've been following the stream since Nick was streaming solo, so now I'm offended that you thought I was new.
Oh, who? Oh no.
A Monk.
Oh well, A Monk, maybe you just don't comment in the chat so much since I've been around. I swear I remember most of your names, but for some reason your one I don't recall.
Yeah, if you're not really active in the chat, then it's hard for us to remember your name, of course.
Let me see your chat history.
Oh, that's a good point. Maybe he's lying.
Oh no,
no, he's actually been here a long time.
Sorry, all right, A Monk, that's my bad. I will never forget you now, though. How about that?
That's true. Yeah, A Monk has been commenting on all the streams. Oh my God, A Monk, you a legend! Look at that.
He's here all the time. It turns out.
I'm actually scrolling down your entire chat history right now.
That's so weird. Did you change your username or something? I feel like I swear
I've not seen that username before. That's
no, you haven't either, right?
Actually, when was that? Ah, shit, I can't see the entire stream title. That's annoying. But he once said, King Nick, they should give you more streaming time. My man. My man.
All right, I'll just go.
That was when I was streaming shorter.
All right, A Monk, I'll go. Oh, was it when I wasn't here?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. We'll let it slide. Okay.
Marcos says, in order to be remembered, you need to get banned at least once. Have you been banned before, Marcos? I don't think so, but I remember you.
Yeah, maybe he was.
Or have you?
Saturday is in the chat. Nice.
Saturday? What's up? Haven't seen you in a while. Also, USA. I haven't seen in a while.
USA, I don't think I've ever seen in the London chat. Oh, Among says Nick has been reading my comments, but mostly you don't see them. Okay, there you go. See, if I've never responded to you, I've clearly never seen your name. That's just by chance. I don't see everyone's comments all the time. I am looking at the charts sometimes.
Hey Monk, she told me actually before the stream she's ignoring you on purpose.
Don't believe him, guys. Don't believe anything he says.
Sorry.
He also eats ketchup on steak. Okay.
Okay. Celine is the better FIFA player than I am.
Roman, let's get him out of here. I swear Roman's on my side.
Well, not on that, I guess. He was here. He witnessed it.
Damn it. Kurt says, now I'm nervous that y'all can see chat history. Oh, yeah. We can see it all. Anything you guys say, it doesn't ever get removed.
Let me see Kurt's chat history then. 1 second.
Oh, yeah. Can we bring this up? Full screen?
Let's see. Damn, Kurt, you've been on YouTube for a while, man. Joined 15 years ago? Crazy. Oh, but that's actually his first stream. Today is his first chat.
Who? A Monk?
No, Kurt.
Oh, Kurt, yeah.
Mm-hmm. Oh, he said not new to Tradeify, but new to you all's live stream. True.
Zemfix says, can we get properly introduced to Roman? What's his favorite sport? What assets does he trade? What's his stance on the Heinz vs steak debate?
Roman, can you unmute yourself so they can hear you?
Are you guys ready to hear the real dictator?
Ah, shit, he can't. You got to talk to Drew because Drew does that sometimes.
Oh, that's funny.
But yeah, well, he'll get that fixed, and then maybe one stream in the next couple of days he'll come on as a voice.
We can do a meet Roman segment. Meet the man behind the machine.
Yes. Let's see. Lulu says, want to hear that deep Russian voice.
They already know. Rafboy says, Nick Slane, I want to play Gamble Wheel as I won before in the session today, but I don't think so. Ravboy is the guy who won during the giveaway before.
Oh.
Unfortunately, the time has passed on that one.
Yeah.
Cannot. Fortunately.
Well.
What do you say, Nick? Dictator, should I say?
Well, Rav boys.
Oh, here we go.
Roman, can you go to my screen really quick? Okay.
You want to play a game?
Want to play it? You either get 0 accounts, so you get your 1 removed, or you get 2. 50-50 chance. Zero or 2? Yes, he wants to.
Okay.
He wants to.
But that means you lose the account if it lands on 0. You know that.
We'll play it for Rav boys.
All right, Rav boys. Rav boys.
Oh, he cooked!
Ooh.
He cooked! Let's go.
Let's go. Congrats.
All right, that was
Just
worth it
doubled
to
up.
ask for it. That was very worth it to ask for it. Congrats.
Nice.
I just upped
Good
it.
option.
I just messaged Brennan that it's now 2 instead of 1. So 2 50k growth accounts. Ballsy, but I like it.
Nick, I love a good gamble. Good one. See, that's why you gamble every time, kids.
But yeah, since we got bot attacked on the second giveaway form, it now has 1,488 people in it. Like, haha, funny. We're not going to do another giveaway. That's just stupid. Like, guys, do not ever buy bots. Not for likes, not for views, not for giveaways, not for anything. Like, we're just going to cancel doing giveaways if you do it.
No, we're just going to cancel the stream, I think. Brett will just cancel us.
Probably not that.
No, I'm kidding.
But do not bot the giveaway form. It makes no sense. Now we're just not going to do a giveaway. Jonathan, Nick, can I suggest something? You are always...
I already know what Jonathan's going to suggest.
You are always welcome to suggest something.
He's going to say, can we just do a pizza giveaway instead?
No, I think she's going to... what the fuck?
She?
He's actually going to bring up something smart. Jonathan is smart.
Jonathan is smart.
Redo the form, open it for only 30 seconds, and then close it. See? I told you. The guy is smart. There we go.
Jonathan.
Jonathan, why don't you do it's a good idea, Jonathan, for the next one. So like tomorrow. Justin, why don't you do the keyword one? Because I don't have access to Nightbot.
Why don't we do marbles in London ever? Do you guys still do the marble race in New York?
Drew has to run it. We can. Lucifer says, bro, not 30 seconds. Make it like 1 minute. What are you? Slow? Not Justin, Lucifer.
No, look at Justin's comment.
Overnight oats and you're entered. Pick names out of a hat. Oh yeah, and then a rabbit appears or what? Yes,
Rap
Boys.
Boys, yeah.
You'll get one email with 2 accounts, like 2 codes in it.
Jonathan says, nope, I had my pizza this week already, so my Pizza Friday was yesterday. I love that you're disciplined like that. Like, pizza isn't every day.
But I'm trying to set up something here. While you have to go through the chat. I gotta test something.
Okay, are you gonna tell us what you're testing?
Well, you'll see in a second.
All right, chat. I'm nervous. We got a question. Ahmed Abdul says, where are you from, Celine and Nick? How many trades on average we get in the London sessions? Well, I'm originally from Australia, currently trading out of Bali for the next week. Soon, I won't be saying that anymore. It's crazy.
Crazy.
But Nick is in Switzerland. And the amount of trades on average in our London sessions, at least one of us is taking a trade every day. I'd say that.
Yeah.
Sometimes multiple, but sometimes we're both in trades. Like a day like yesterday, Nick wasn't in a trade. I was in a trade. Today, we've both been in trades. Like, pretty regular. I don't think we'll ever go a session where we haven't taken anything.
Very rarely, maybe. Very rarely.
Jonathan said, oh, we're off for ice cream today. Celine, after little miss, has got dressed. That's nice. That's so cute. Gotta give the little miss what she wants.
Okay, I got an idea here.
Agent Bead so says, can NQ just go down already? Look, I don't think in terms of NASDAQ and S&P that we're going to see down movement, especially based on the peace and sort of stability that we're starting to see with Iran and the US. I feel like the bottom's in, and I'm just saying that. Like, I'm not a market maker. I'm not trying to predict anything, but I do think we got the bottom today, and I think it's going to pump. You hear that, chicken? Stay in it.
Okay, Jonathan, how are we liking this giveaway wheel from now on?
Oh my god, you cooked on that. In the back.
But it's not centered, so it's gonna look weird if I spin it.
But can we make the text black? I don't know about the white text.
Okay, wait. Let me cook.
Damn, you cooked.
Let's see.
We love it. What does it say?
Text. Nah, Jonathan. No. Nice try. Let's see.
Mind the Dave. Where will you be going, Celine? I'll be going back to Australia temporarily, going back home to Melbourne, and then permanently moving to Greece. To be in the sun and to be in Europe and to be in better trading hours is really what I want.
Okay, I can't change the text color.
I don't know how I feel. Ooh, Isilda says, can we do a sushi giveaway next time?
Yo, these guys.
I'll be down for that. I love sushi. Love it.
Justin, will you be in London in October? Well, actually, Celine is coming to London sooner than October.
I will be there in June.
Not me, though.
Not. No, sadly, he's not real. But I'll be there. So if you guys are there, I'll finally get to prove it to you guys. Because I know some of you were in Miami, but most of you weren't. But London, my Euro traders out there, make sure you make it to the London Prop Expo. Just saying. I'll be there. Yes, Marika, he would. I'm going to answer for him. Pretty sure he has.
Nope, I haven't, and I wouldn't.
You talked about on stream. You said chicken teriyaki sushi you would have with ketchup.
Absolutely, because that's not sushi. That's chicken and rice.
The Afghan trader, I am
in London. Yeah, that's why only Celine is coming.
Kryptonite, what the hell? What the hell? Don't expose me. No, guys, it's a legitimate thing. Look up London Prop Expo, okay? I'm not lying. I'll be there. Kiz is in London. Kiz, you have to come down to the London Prop Expo. Yay. Kiz best. Definitely. Guys, if you're in the UK or close to the UK or in Europe, wherever you are, and you can make it, come to the London Prop Expo. You guys will see I'm real. All right, Marcus, we get it.
How are you liking this chat? Huh?
Wait, isn't it Wickless like WICK?
Am I stupid or what?
He's very stupid.
I'm like.
Like, what kind of AI are you?
Okay. Well, we could.
Yeah, we can do Nick and Wick.
The thing is.
Oh, this is taking off. What?
Like, can you just like how?
How to bottom tick the longs is wherever Nick's stop is, you go
That's
in
where you
with
wanna
10 minis.
That's
10,
where you want to.
No, not even 10. Like the max amount of minis you can, wherever Nick's stop is, you go in.
Mm-hmm.
No, I'm kidding.
Mm-hmm. Always. That's how it works.
Yeah, but there is some sort of curse on you, Nick. I don't know.
Okay, now watch this. Watch this. What I said. I said 60-70 zone is usually where Nasdaq tends to reject. Doesn't matter. Like it obviously it can be that it still does this, but usually at 60-70 zone it goes through and then pulls back a bit. Let's see. Let's see.
Do they speak English in Greece? Yes, they actually do. In most places in Europe, they do speak English. Cool.
Yeah, just not well.
Were you gonna say like not Germany or something? For some reason in France, they don't speak a lot of English. Can someone explain? Share the link for Expo. Only one I see is in October. I think if you just look up London Prop Expo, I don't know. More will come out. More details will come out. So just, I don't know if they've updated the website or what.
Meow, 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 meow. Let's see.
I would love to see Nick when you get stopped. Like next time you get stopped,
Yes.
you should just reverse, like enter the opposite, and just see what it does.
I'll just remove the stop. Genius.
Actually, just do that. Your stops are hurting you.
For real.
Nick is still the face of the expo on the website. Yeah, he actually is.
Hell yeah.
Did you know that, Nick? You are the face.
I would have. I saw it once, but then I never checked again. But
here we go, guys.
what?
Roman?
Oh yeah, it's that really nice thumbnail.
Chat, can we see this? There we go. Look at that one.
Really nice thumbnail. We love that.
There it is. The face. Wait, but Tradeify TV represent. There we go. There it is. Exactly like that. Yep. How about you just hold that for the rest of the stream? Wait, he's actually doing a really good job at it. What the hell? He hasn't blinked. Wait, now this is actually creepy. We're just gonna wait here, chat, until he blinks.
Intense.
Oh, that was pretty long. What the hell?
Yeah, fractal has actually happened to me before. You hold your face like that, and then you get a cramp, like a jaw cramp. It's the worst thing ever. Let's see.
Maybe Nick's the real AI. I know the way his face just.
Yo, Camille, no, brother, no, that gets you banned.
No, but like for real. Oh, come on. The way you. Oh.
What the fuck?
10 minutes?
Bro? Yes, 10 minutes.
He won't be here for the end of the stream.
Yes, correct.
Sorry, Camille.
Look at Roman in the chat says, let's hit 900 likes.
Damn, are we close?
864. I mean, look, guys, you're doing great on the likes today, but unfortunately, some people thought it was a great idea to just bot the stream. And that led to us not doing another giveaway. Sorry.
Sorry, not sorry. I'm not sorry.
Yeah. Just don't bot the stream. Easy.
Sad.
Amir, can you say what?
Paul Profits what's botting the stream? It's when when bots just join and when there's 700 people watching and 1,000 people like entering a form.
There's 1,500 people in the forum.
That's what a botting the stream is.
That's so stupid. Doesn't even make sense. All right, we just tapped into the 60-70 zone. So there's my TP, chat. If I wouldn't have gotten Nicholas Wicklist.
All right, next time, can you just do an account with no stop loss? Let's run an eval up with no stop loss and see. I reckon you'd have like 100% win rate.
Probably should do a funded with no stop loss.
Oh yeah, that too.
Content Hunter, if you accidentally chose Tradeify instead of TradeC, just reach out to support. They're gonna help you fix it. Don't worry. Just don't trade. If you take a trade, they can't fix it anymore. Aw, Celine, I've given up on FIFA. No.
I didn't say it out loud. No, okay, I've given up on FIFA on Switch. The good news, PlayStation, I'm still
don't make yourself look stupid.
Right, okay. Let's just leave it until we battle again. Mario Kart's the next battle. We'll see. Paul Profit Sling, did the likes get botted? No, but the form got botted. The form had 1,500 entries.
That's so dumb. That is so dumb.
Marcos, Celine embracing the degen. No, it's not about. I just think, like, if Nick just had no stop loss sometimes, his TPs are like goated. Like his trades always hit, but his stop loss for some reason gets wigged before it goes to
like
TP.
This.
His TPs are like, I would say you could easily have a like 100% win rate, Nick. Just saying, no stop loss.
Yeah, just do it without a stop loss. And then if you lose once, you lost the account anyway. So the account is always at 100% win rate.
Right. So when course.
When course. But see, that's what I mean. Tapped into 60-70 zone, now rejecting. That's
6-7.
Exactly that. But
Always
for real,
6-7.
mark this zone on your charts. It's important.
Imagine it's just like the market makers are just trolling with the 6-7.
6-7.
Send it down. Judge, can you share why you took that entry? Me? I went over mine. It's basically I waited for a retracement into the 15-minute gap, and then I took a long out of there based on a 1-minute inversion. That was me. On Nick's chart, he took the bull flag break.
Yep, bull flag break here. Bada bing, bada bong, little bull flag, bada bing, bong bong, like this.
That's so annoying. That's freaking. How many points was that?
The loss?
Yeah. No, as
23
in from. No, the points is in where the wick went and then where your stop was. Like how many points below?
That was an exact 1.75 points.
Oh my.
I'm the king of getting wicked out.
There's a curse.
It's okay. I'm used to it now.
The Afghan trader, maybe wherever your stop loss. No, I think just don't have a stop loss. This is like pumping now, actually. NQ is flying. I wish I held or had other contracts to hold here. Mo says, another fun morning, Nick and Celine. Catch you guys later. Catch you tomorrow.
Hell yeah.
But thanks for hanging around, Mo.
Cool.
Thanks for hanging.
All right. I think this is a great moment of him saying bye. For you guys to put a big fat W in the chat if you love this stream. Put an L in the chat if you hated every single aspect of this stream. Put a big fat W in the chat if you loved Celine's solo hour today, as yesterday. She crushed it. And we'll be back today at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time for another New York session stream, as usual. And then, of course, tomorrow at 8 a.m. London time for another London session stream. Celine, before we drop out here, any inspiring words for the chat?
I just really appreciate the real ones, Nick. I just want to give a shout out to you guys for just always supporting us. We appreciate you. We see your comments. We see that you stick around even the last minute. And I think that's really important that we have your support. And that's why we keep doing this, because we honestly love you guys. So that's it from me, Nick. Anything else you wanted to say?
My last thing will be fuck the bots. You guys know what's up. We just got him out of here. And we're going to do the giveaway now.
With the real ones.
Get wrecked. So if you want to take part in this giveaway, all you got to do is like the stream, subscribe to the channel. And once I send you the Google form, fill out the Google form, but only do it once. If you do it more than once, you will get disqualified. And if somebody bots it now, I swear. Ooh, it's going to be bad. I only leave the form open for a minute. So here you go.
Oh,
here you go. The people, the people that are just here for the giveaways, they have left. The bots have left. So real ones stick around. Mo knows. Mo knows.
We appreciate you. That's why we got to give you an account. There's no way the real ones are missing out just because some idiot wanted to bot. It's not fair.
Hell yeah. All right, let's see it. You have 20 more seconds to fill it out.
We love a plot twist.
Always. 20 more seconds. Not anymore now. 10 more seconds.
Go.
10 more seconds. Okay. In 3, 2, 1, and done. Market profile 2 was the last one to get in. So congrats. Now we'll copy everybody over to the Wheel of Names. Here we go. Here we go.
Pizza wheel.
The pizza wheel as well, yeah. All right. Let's first see who wins. The winner of this giveaway is Alex Mate or Mate. Alex Mate, 1987.
Ooh, congrats.
Type something in the chat.
Let's see what he won. Well, let's see if he's here.
Hey, there he is. It says here. Okay, so let's see what you win. You can either win a growth, a select, or a lightning funded account, or a free pizza. Let's see. Spinning all wheels. Oh, look at the pizza spinning. Look at the pizza spinning. Yay.
That's so sick.
Is it actually going to be the pizza? No, it's going to be.
Is a
50K select.
Nice.
Congrats. 50K select account for you, Alex. So all you got to do right now is you have to add your email address to your YouTube channel description. Make sure that email address is the actual one that you use to log into your Tradeify account, because if it's not that one, we will not be able to send you your free account, okay? So 50K select account coming your way within the next 7 days. Congrats. All right. Now, with that being said, we're actually signing off. Thank you guys for sticking around. And we'll be back at 8:30 a.m. Eastern for the New York stream. Peace out.
Awesome. Bye.